Come, take it easy. Now, what's the problem? See, stop this thing.
I don't. Now this one.
I go back for you. What is this now? What is it? You are very wicked.
You are a fool. I'm not here.
Come on, give me water. Let me wash my hand, idiot.
No, where is that? Now you fishing the food.
Guy, where's that chicken? Now you want to feed the chicken, you crazy? Come on, that chicken. Just now, don't let me enter you. Bring that chicken. See, hey. If I count 3, you know bring that chicken, yeah? You know go know me. 1.
My fly patch for your mouth.
See, Justina. Hey. Hey. Facebook on the film. Oh yeah.
Nothing. Good morning.
Good morning. Oh yeah, dream no more. Day don't break. Stand up and roll that mat.
So by this time of the day, by this time of the day, you still lie down here as a princess. We go find you. In Allah Holland Docha. Can't go and get out from the also. Maybe you know, say if you like, they do money like Obono. If you do and finish, you go sweep this compound. You go sweep every corner. You go fetch water, fill that to put away there back. Then you go wash plates before you even think of anything concerning school. Maybe you know.
Another trouble.
What do you talk?
I'm not saying I say I'm not ready for your wala.
You're not ready for my job? Is it? You're not ready. You're not ready for my job.
It's okay. It's too early for this. And you now roll the mats, then go and begin to do your work right now.
Come roll up.
I'm not rolling.
Oh, you know roll. Oh, you better say you jump fence. Oh, come on, you fence.
Come here.
Oh, come on, you fence.
Come and roll it.
I'm not rolling back. You beat me now.
You're not. As me,
yeah. It's your man. No. Just leave her. Don't worry. I know. Don't worry.
Oh.
Good morning.
Oh, ma. Jay, did we wake you up?
Yes. Princess Iberibe. Yes.
Oh, shut up your mouth. I'm not fetching a brono. I'm not here. You see what you cost now? You don't make me shout now. Come wake my daughter from her beautiful sleep. I'm not here. Mama, let me go back to sleep. You go late, oh, and you know what thing go happen. Then go flog you. No, just go. Go bath or prepare. Make I rush, make your food. Breakfast, that kind of one way you be like, where. You go like can. Eh? Go. Asamo. Mwama. Mwazrazu. Mwamgeja na pounds and dollars. Eweleke. You see that, dear? Who you keep this thing make you do for you?
Let your plate not a packet.
You see that, dear? Jump here. Go carry that to your mat. I say so. They go. As I look you now, they go. You okay? You okay?
Isioma, talk to me now. Isioma, no verse now, No verse, yeah? See, I don't carry your bag, so if you come to school, they no go know say you come late, So they no go punish you. Isioma, talk to me now. See your bag, I don't carry your bag. See, I will keep your bag close to me, yeah? So that we will sit down together. See your bag. And excuse me, my mom buy for me, do my bag, we will share and yeah? So no.
Do you want to kill my baby for me? Eh? Hey! Hey!
Isioma! How are you? Hey! Hey! How are you? Good to see you. Hey, you're welcome. How was the trip?
It was fine, no?
Hey, yeah, you're welcome.
Hey, I'm where he come back.
I don't want anything to do. It's very too much. You're welcome, Hey, America.
Yes, brother.
Hey. Wait, do you know anyone there?
Brother, you don't have to worry about that. I'll be fine.
Oh.
You know I'm not going alone. It's an agency that is taking us there. One thing I want you to promise me is that you're going to take good care of my daughter for me.
Isioma, my niece. Why? Of course I will. You know I will. In fact, I must. Yes, I must.
Yeah, brother. Once I get there and settle down, and God blesses me the way I hope, I'm going to be pumping money into this family.
Hey.
Pumping.
Hey.
And our lives will definitely change for good.
Amen. I like that pumping side. Amen. Amen.
Brother, one more thing. Please. Isioma's education is very, very important to me. I want you to make me a promise that you're not going to joke with her education.
Ngozi, my sister, you don't have to worry about that. Be rest assured that Isioma is in safe hands. Am I not her uncle? I will do my best to train her to the highest education that she wants.
Right,
yes. Don't worry about that. What we should be worrying about now is your safety. We just wanted to land there safely. And of course, the most important one, don't forget to be sending money home. Because I've not seen anyone. Yes, so everyone that travels abroad, back home, the next thing is money.
And my case is not going to be different.
It can't be different because one name because make sure any amount to just be.
I'll be pumping.
Yeah, pumping.
See, let me tell you. You have nothing to worry about, okay? You see these people, they are my family. You are in safe hands. They are going to take good care of you, okay? Please, Nne, take good care of my daughter for me while I'm gone.
You don't have any problem, eh? I will murder her.
You will what?
I mean, I will treat her well, like I will be her mother.
It's okay. Ngozi, like I told you, there's nothing to worry about. She's in safe hands. Justina here, my wife will take very good care of her. And my daughter here will not be. So don't worry, eh?
I'm going to miss you guys.
Safe trip, eh?
Safe trip. Oh? Go well.
I'm going to miss you, baby.
My baby.
Come here.
Come on, go to mommy now.
I'm going to miss you, okay?
It's okay.
Don't worry. I will hug you past that one.
Yes,
don't worry.
yes.
You will see.
Yes. Oh, yeah, hold it. See her up. Yeah. Safe trip, eh? Yes, so. And don't forget to let me know when you get there. All right.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. It's your man now. What to do? Bye-bye, oh. Say bye-bye. It's your man now. What? Say bye-bye to your mother.
Bye-bye to your mommy now.
You see?
You can see her
Ordinary bye-bye, you cannot say. Ordinary bye-bye.
You can't say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Or I just say bye. Leave the rubber.
Chat. Sioma. Now you they do all these things now. Sioma. Hey, God, hey. Okay. No wahala. Fight my battle. Fight my battle, oh Lord. Fight my battle.
You be a fool. Useless man, man you be. I add man. You be man. You follow for man. Waiting can qualify you to be a man. If they come and get a igapata. No, I won't know now.
Justina. Me, Ibakama, your husband.
Yeah, I was again. Husband. You don't get shame, oh. You call yourself husband. Waiting qualify you to be a husband. Which useless husband be that? Make I even ask you. So how husband they get a pota? If they say people will be husband, make them stand for line. You go join the line. Your mate is there for house by this time of the day. No, make I ask you. Look at the time and tell me whether anybody will get sense, will get responsibility. Still there for house by this time. Your mates don't go out. They hustle. They find money when they go take care of their family because they know say they get responsibility. That is how you call yourself husband there. But you, who sigh? That one no there additionally at all. Very soon now, you go carry your papers here, left and right. You go come out. The next place where you go land there, now we are under tree where they play draft. You go there with your fellow useless men. You go play draft finish. From there, you go play Babi Ijebu finish. Then you go come end up for one tombo joint. You go there until one useless man like you, your fellow Efulefu, go decide to buy you drink. Because you don't get money to buy drink after chat. They go buy drink for you. You go wash and finish. Drink am. Lefunata. And then you continue being useless.
Justina, do you realize it is me, Bakama, your husband, you're talking to like this? Huh? Hey. Do you know how much I spent to marry you?
My friend, make I hear
do you know?
Make I hear what though? Every time, do you know how much I spent to marry you? Okay, you spend them. You marry me. After that, waiting they happen. You marry me, come your house, and they suffer since. They suffer. And they suffer nothing to show for the marriage. But every time we talk small talk, how much I pay? This insult done too much. How much you pay?
Thank you.
How much you pay? Make I give you back.
See, I have a permanent solution to all these your insults and disrespects. I must take a second wife. And that is final. Final! That is final!
Oh my God.
Yes.
How I take meet this man, Bicon? Which guy? Wait, you want marry second wife?
Yes.
See who want marry second wife? I beg, with which money? Which woman go gree marry if you like you? No, which woman go see foolish and hopeless man like you when no get future? come marry him. Unless say the person they foolish or useless.
Shebi, you agree to marry me?
You deceive me now.
Another stupid and foolish woman like you will also marry me.
You see that insult? Now that one I no go take. I no go take that insult from you. I just stupid marry you, yes. But no, they remind me. Hopeless, foolish goats. That is what you are. Nah. Atoro. Fool.
Don't worry, one of these days I'll enlarge one of your old pictures. One of your old pictures before I married you. And I'll hang it right there somewhere in the sitting room. So that each time you look at it, you'll be very, you have another reason to be grateful to me.
You don't get shame. Have shame not there your eye.
Okay.
You know they go out. You know they see other people wives, how their husbands they take care of them. They buy their hair, shoe, bag. They chop well. If you see their skin, you go they report, say that they enjoy their marriage. Person when look this my skin go no say where I they come from. Say now, in fact now, after that one, na second hair. Yeah? What you don't buy me since you marry me? Nothing. This shoe why I wear now the one why I carry from my papa house to come marriage. You don't change them. You dey here they talk nonsense. You dey useless so. You dey very foolish. But anyway, you often couple. I can go do my open quota. I know what I go do you. Just wait. I go do you waiting go make you cry. I they come.
Anyhow we go survive this one. Brother man won't marry them. You borrow me, no me saying alone. No be every flame them they call it fire. Everybody wait they call it my yawa. No they see the lights where they for tunnel.
What's going on? What happened?
Me? Your uncle, what is going on? As age mates or what?
No,
and by the way, why are you calling and yelling at me like that?
See. Leave that age mate one side first. What is going on? Why did they chase me out from the school today? Why? What happened?
Me? Your uncle, what happened? As what? As age mates or what?
See.
By the way, why are you yelling and calling my name like that?
See. Leave that age mate matter one side first. You said you were going to pay my school fees last week.
Last week we never finished now.
Last week, you didn't pay it. You said unfairly this Monday. This week, Monday. Is today not Monday? I went to school and they told me that I've not paid my school fees. And they chased me out of the school like an outcast. What happened? Explain.
Yay! Me? What happened? Me? Explain. Have you gone nuts? Me explain as what?
Explain now. Let me know the excuse you have this time around. Explain.
Well, Isema, the fact is that I do not have money to pay your school fees now. I'll pay your school fees next month. And by the way, if they chase you away from school, then you come back and rest. Is this some kind of query or what, Isema? Look, what I am to you is an uncle. Just an uncle. You are not my child. You know what that means? It means that you are not my direct responsibility. Do you understand me? You are not.
So in other words?
Miukwa. In other words?
No, not talk. In other words, complete the statement.
Well, in other words, Isema, I want you to leave my presence now because I do not have money to pay for your school fees now. If they chase you away, go inside and remove your uniform and rest. Stop stressing me.
And you never say tomorrow, you are saying next month. You look at yourself now. Hear what you are saying. Next month. To me, I cannot afford to miss class even for a day. Please, do fast and pay my school fees. I don't know what you're talking about. Don't go and be messing around with my career. Because
Your career? What career are you talking about? No, what career are you talking about?
Were you not the one I told I want to be a doctor? I did not tell you that one.
You want to be a doctor? Hey! Now, what kind of doctor? Medical doctor or native doctor or witch doctor? Which one?
I'd rather be witch doctor.
Hey!
I want to be a neurosurgeon.
What's
Neurosurgeon.
Hey! This is a big eye. You don't even want to choose a career that is your size. And you're going to neurosurgeon. Do you know the hey! Isema, don't stress me. Please go in, remove your uniform and rest. By next month, I'll pay your school fees.
Let me just take all this thing that you just said as a joke. I'll just take all of them as a joke. But please, If you want peace in this house, go and pay my school fees. Else, it's not going to be funny. It's not going to be funny. The kind of giddy gada we're going to see, it's not be funny, oh.
Wait, what did you just say? What did you just say?
Don't jeopardize my career. Don't jeopardize my career. I'm saying it now. You think I'm playing?
Ah,
You think I'm playing?
I don't die. So this girl don't grow wings. Kata gidi in my own house. Look at your mouth. You want to be a neurosurgeon? Huh? A neurosurgeon? Hey! Game out of both is now right now in Canada now. Yes, it's supposed to be playing in Canada. What? Ah, they moved it to Ghana. Hey, Jesus, what kind of nonsense is this now? If I had known, I would have played this game in another network. Huh? I can't go kind of go. This one batch, a bullet here, don't come this now. My money is gone. My money is gone now.
You never left out in this house. Oh, who is this fool? Who is this idiot? Are you blind?
Chero.
Jesus.
Isama. Idiot. Mumu. Your auntie. Idiot.
Uncle, you are seeing it, Abby? You are seeing what your wife is doing to me. You just know what's happened now. No.
Shut up.
You know what happened here? No.
No be mistake. No be mistake.
Which mistake?
Which one be which mistake?
Which mistake?
You don't know your size. I see you where you dey come. I don't see you where you dey come now. You dey lucky you. You dey lucky say no be hot water. Because if to say na hot water I pour you, then your long mouth you no go even dey talk with anything. Yeah? You get lost say na water why I take wash pants now.
Jesus.
Or see Jesus.
Water why you take wash pants?
It's okay now. She says she's sorry now. It's okay.
Which sorry? She's not saying any sorry.
Hey, must she say it before you know she is sorry? Huh? She said it was a mistake. Huh? She has said it's a mistake now. What do you want her to do? Kill a car for you?
You're supposed to know, right? You're supposed to know because she's your wife. You're supposed to know. The day I will show my true color in this house, the day I will react, people will see. The day you are just seeing my black color. Let me show my purple color. You will know.
I have to go tell you. You will know.
You should have at least say sorry to her now. What is there?
How? Leave me! Make her handle this girl. You know they say she not get health training. Her man not train her well. Leave her to me, make I train her. You no agree.
It's okay. It's alright. See, from now on, from this time on, discipline her. Teach her a lesson she will never forget in a hurry. Don't pity her. In fact, maltreat her. As a matter of fact, your time starts now.
Now you come. Don't worry. From today, you go see how she go change.
You cannot hold me down, cause the sky is up above me. The heart is pure but constantly hurting. You cannot hurt the spirit but the flesh is.
When did they start locking the kitchen door? Full of nonsense is that. Auntie, kitchen door is locked.
What's wrong with them? So?
I want to enter inside.
Go do it.
What else will I be doing in the kitchen? I want to eat.
You want to eat? See your mouth. You want to eat? If you say you dey school, by this time of the day, you go dey look for waiting to chop.
At least I'll be in school now. I'll be occupied with so many things, even my studies. So since you have succeeded in convincing my uncle not to pay my school fees, you have to give me food. Give me food, I'm hungry.
But not convinced. Convinced. Poor man. Oh! Ipeka. Now it make you no understand, say, they not they convince poor man to build house. Now in pocket, anyway, that food where did that kitchen? Where you won't carry your long throat to go chop. Now my daughter keep that food for. So, we go wait. If you come back from school, chop or belly full. Tell me say she don't belly full. Come write letter to me, say she no want chop again. You feel manage that one, well remember.
I'm feeling big. Feeling big in somebody's money. Feeling big. The only food I'm asking for, not your destiny. Not your kidney. Give me food, let me eat.
No. In fact, you still get man to talk. And then you still there your body. Be like say the one where you chop the first they see the walk. I will deal with you. By the time I deal with you finish, you no go even sabi how to talk.
Oga, give me food, let me eat a bit. It's food I'm asking for, not your kidney, not your destiny. Go and give me food, let me eat.
Go chop now, make I see.
You promised my mother that you take good care of me. Go and give me food, let me eat.
See, make I tell you, I should have watched your mouth. Your uncle don't give me permission to deal with you. Now that one they shoot me. So as I keep quiet, nothing say I no get what I go do you. I will take my time. If them burn you well, go carry food chop. In fact, when my daughter come chop finish, the one will remain. Maybe put your ass. More way.
Give me food, let me eat.
People no hear the onanya. I talk am before say thief free day.
Let me eat now. Give me food, let me eat.
You see this egg? If I chop this one finish, I go chop the egg. Balance diet. Oh, I'm rubber. One nanny. Anini sister. Jiri no why you no honye ngo na na so. Jiri why you know ngas. Ha. Why you they do for Isioma?
They portray because of school fees today. And since when I come back, I never see her.
Now me they hold am before. Go find am now. You they ask me. I don't know where she do.
Mama. This woman be that kind of girl who just come from school, waka come out now, eh? She supposed to somewhere for inside house. They do her homework.
Yeah, no be that kind of person. Where no fit. I said I don't know where she did. You they force me to know where she did. Here, I beg you. Why you they even look for her?
Mama, they give us assignment to, and I'm not sure will do the assignment for me.
Hey! Ibakama, you want nana. Imermononka. Iti boribo. Iti pataka. Iti komkom. Iti panaka. You know the shame. One single shame like this, not in your eye. Yeah? You know bad say, as you old rich, where your mates don't they born grandchildren for their husband house. Even your mates for Nchi, they don't even get history again, they don't die finish. You did the same class with that small girl. Then, now she, you they wait for. Make she can write assignment for. Hey! Which kind of rubbish be this one? Fear!
Mama, this book of it no be by age at all. Book fit just they choose you, you no choose me. Book chooses someone, you no choose me. Someone sabi maths, someone sabi physics, I no sabi. You no gree enter my head.
It be like saying a small thing you take run away from imbecile. No the shame.
Okay, make I chop fast. Go bring the book. May help me do am.
Make who help you do am?
You help me do my assignment now.
As per waiting. No, I want no. As per waiting, I beg you. You see that your book. Since you no get head, carry and go meet your papa. Because anything way +1 + 1 dey inside, I know dey for that one.
Mama, you don't say you know sabi book.
How you take no? No, just carry your brain. You know, say na your papa give you that half brain where you carry. So carry that brain and the book. Go meet the person where give you half brain. Make two of una dey there, they disgrace on herself.
Yes, my papa better pass you. You know no book. I don't know. You don't say you know no book. Now you are resemble because my papa, I think my papa they play Baba Ijebu and sometimes they collect.
You know say any day why they look you, they dey me like say the day why I born you. Say Ibakama, use your brain, go deposit am for shrine, collect porridge, go chop.
I feel they smile, but it's over for me. You cannot hold me down, cause the sky is up above me. The heart is pure, but constantly hurting. You cannot hurt the spirit, but the flesh is suffering from me. Me, I no fish out, though.
What a poor girl. Her mother has really failed her.
I'm telling you.
Can you imagine?
But why would the mother entrust her to her brother, knowing fully well that the man is married and the wife will maltreat her?
I really pity her. Mother just left her here and abandoned her and travel abroad.
I'm likely the woman will be there doing a prostitute. That is just it.
That is her business.
I feel this smile, but it's over for me. You cannot hold me down, cause the sky is up above me. The heart is pure, but constantly hurting. You cannot hurt the spirit, but the flesh is suffering from me. Me, I no fish out, though. Bella the empty, patient doggy, don't bear me. I try to say my mind, but the ear no they listen again, no. Nothing fit today, Bella.
My mama no get good character at all. My mama a very bad woman. Just manage her, yeah?
But there's no meat inside, no protein at all. Abi, now you remain the food.
No, no, you.
You can't remain now, you know they like eating dinner now.
Manage her, manage her, yeah? No verse.
Thank you, sir.
I know what, I'll go bring meat for my papa and come put inside for you.
Wow. Water.
Water. I say, kiss your man. They give us assignments. So,
Bring water.
okay, I will bring water. Let me do them.
Look at it.
No. Now for you I drink, and now you I give you. And now for you. Oh my gosh, don't they pay me? Don't charge. Let me bring the water.
I don't even cook. I bring shakara with food that you cannot cook.
Bella the empty, patient doggy, don't bear me. I try to say my mind, but the ear no they listen again, no. Nothing fit today, Bella. But brother, man needs anyhow.
Justin. I was perceiving the aroma of this abacha from outside. I hope it's delicious. Please hurry up and serve me, I'm starving. Justin, I said I'm starving. Hurry up and serve me now. I want me to die. Justin, Jojo. You see, this your attitude. This your attitude is the real reason I'm going to take a second wife in this house. Don't worry.
Chelo. If the rich is second wife for madam. You back, Amma. Go and marry. Gen 1. Marry 5. Marry 10. Oh, you think marrying a wife is cheap? You when no fit feed yourself. You dey talk about second wife. In fact, you back marry that.
Justina, actually you're really underestimating me in this house. You think I'm poor? See, you're looking at a potential rich man. That's what you're looking at, a potential. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Ekafo. Okay, back on reserve. See potential big man. See you. Make I tell you. Now only 3 ways now go make a man to be rich. 3! And you no fall into any category. Number 1, inheritance. Me and you know say, even as poor as you dey now, where you no fit chop, you rich pass your papa. So you no keep anything for you. Number 2, stealing. Me and you know say you are too lazy. You be fear. You be coward. On top of that, you no get sense. Okwa brain you where you get them? You know the intelligence now, so you know fit plan tiffin. So that side, Number 3, hard work. Hustle like your fellow man. The only time when you don't try for this life to even hustle small, now when you ride keke. The keke where it did. Old age don't up pia keke. You know fit maintain am. So from where now? Because where you want to make the money come become big man. Now I want to know.
You're forgetting one of the points. How a man can become rich. Have you forgotten that my sister's in the US? No, have you forgotten that Ngozi, my sister, is abroad? Have you forgotten? So it's better for you to begin to treat me well as a husband. Begin to treat me with respect, Josina. I'm warning you. Now, can you please go serve me food? Respectfully. Josie? Jojo?
Call your sister for abroad.
Now cool down now.
Make it give you food.
Justina. Justina.
Bagama. You buy new phone?
It shock you. This one is the latest phone in town. See, what this phone cannot do does not exist. This phone.
The phone fine well.
I'm telling you.
Make I see.
Don't try it. No, just try him, I beg. You see, I'm very busy right now. Very, very busy. I beg. Hey.
I say, make I tell you, make you give us money. We'll go buy things for soup. Soup don't finish.
Okay. This should be enough. Any other thing else? Anything else?
No.
So just hold on to that. I can keep the change. I know it's more than enough. Hey.
Ibe, who be that person where you they chat with, they laugh like small pikin wey no get sense? Who you they chat with? Oh, I dey talk, you do blow the picture, they look in breast. Wait till you dey find for the lip. Wait till you dey find for the lip. Why you go dey chat with woman? Why you go dey look woman?
Stop it though. Just stop it. Stop it.
Stop waiting. Stop waiting. Why you go dey look woman picture? They smile like goat.
Okay.
You no get respect too.
Justina, respect yourself.
Okay. The picture too fine. Make we watch them together.
What's your problem? I gave you money to go to the market now. Go to the market.
When we watch picture finish, we will go market.
Thank you. I know what again.
Why you off am?
Now you're off. What is it?
Uncle, what is happening?
Happening where? How?
You bought phone now and you're chatting.
Is anything wrong with that?
Uncle, I need to be in school.
Be in school now. Who is holding you? What is holding you?
You have not paid my school fees. Pay my school fees now. Let me go to school. What is all this thing now? Will I be begging you every time? Pay my school fees.
Yeah, is that why you came to interrupt what I was doing here? I don't have money right now.
But you have money to buy phone. And you're chatting with somebody. You have not paid my school fees. Pay my school fees.
Yeah. You know I'm trying my best. You know I am trying my best and doing my best. How can you deny that? Okay, at least you have a place to sleep and you have food to eat.
Which food?
Oh. You can deny that, right? Okay, can you also deny that you don't have a place to sleep?
See, uncle, if you give somebody goat as a gift, you give somebody goat, remove your hand from the rope.
Meaning?
Meaning that I don't want you to jeopardize my future for me. My career is so important to me, please.
Future? Which future? Do you have a future? Do you have a future at all?
Pay my school fees. So all this thing I'm telling you that I want to be a neurosurgeon, you think I'm joking? You think I'm joking?
Oh God, neurosurgeon. Now leave my side now. I said leave my side now. If I catch you then now, I use it for short put. What's your problem?
In a peaceful way. Give me my money, let me go and pay school fees.
Do you have any money? Do you have any money? You eat my food, you sleep in my house, you still have more to...
Pray that I don't see this phone inside this house. Just keep hiding it because if I see it, you will not like the phone again.
My phone? Now leave here. What do you want to do? I say leave here.
Give my school fees money.
I say leave here. Come on, please.
See this one, oh. You see they hear the chat. So you're still sitting here.
My dear, I'm still here. What's up? You're dressed.
So you're not going to attend lectures today. So this is how you're going to sit here and chat all day.
Lectures, ke? Who lectures help? I beg, I'll sort out school runs later.
What's this person that you're even so serious chatting with? I jammed one mugu. Mugu, big mugu online. You don't mean it? Has he sent you any money yet?
He sent me 100k. 100k? The honey old man sent 100,000.
Honey old man.
Stop playing.
Hey, wait, let me say you hot now.
They hot.
He hot.
He said I should use 20k for sub, then 80k for my off.
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you the truth.
Hey, baby, you wanna meet all these men then, You wanna share updates now for Facebook, I mean for TikTok.
I beg you rest. Rest, because I'm busy.
Oh, wow. Where did you go to school now?
You'll be leaving now. I'll sort out school later, so
I'm busy. Okay, oh. As they collect, they keep my own, as person where they sign attendance for you for class.
I beg you. No problem.
Don't forget me, oh. Hey.
Okay.
Ibagama. Odogubato. Hey! Odogubato. Ibagama. Odogubato.
Where is all this was coming from?
Wait.
Hey!
What is happening?
Chimikimi.
Nothing is
Ibekema.
happening. Huh?
Look at you.
It's me.
You so tight fisted. In fact, not even that tight fisted. You don't have. Oh my kiji.
But I'm buying you drinks.
Hold on. Where is it coming from? That's what I'm asking.
Oh, the drinks.
Man, tell me. See, you have excited my medulla oblongata. In fact, I want to hit the ceiling.
You don't know nothing. But I'm going to tell you something. You know what I'm saying?
What are you talking about, man? No.
But let me tell you something. See, this one is small. This is small. Next time, we won't be here now. Next time, it's going to be Moet. It's going to be Domprignon. It's going to be Egg Buja. In fact, we can't even be staying here. We go to a lounge.
It's Egg Buja.
Egg Buja. You know a lounge. So, you know, okay, what did all happen now? You wonder what happened? I've met it now. You know my sister, Ngozi? Ngozi, my sister now. That's abroad now. She's been sending me hardcore.
That is no wonder.
And when I changed it here, and I can just borrow the changer. I'm telling you. So that is why I am, spending like this lavishly. I spend lavish. See, I think my get better. I spend money like money is nonsense. You will go get your now one. You will.
So this is the secret of your Ibede and Ibede.
Yes, no.
You never can say go.
It's not as if I'm doing any business. No business at all. This one you're talking. I'm not doing any business.
I know you are not business inclined, and you are one of the laziest men I ever met in this.
I take exception to that, but it's okay. You're my friend, but I'll pardon you. Hey, that is the point now.
Hey, I wish these my useless sisters will become as useful as that your sister.
They can never be because you did not train them well. Where were you when I was training my own sister? Now look at her. She's abroad and sending foreign currency. Yeah. But the fact is that what I actually called you here is to tell you a good news. But Tonam, I am taking a second one. No, I shouted it now. I'm taking a second one.
You see, I always had this dream that this our friendship will lead to something bigger.
Yeah, definitely.
Something bigger.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Something bigger now.
You know my two daughters? In fact, I will not give you one. You know, they say our bride price is high. No. In fact, I will pack the two of them for you.
That wouldn't be something big, Anna. That would be something biggest. Because your two daughters joined together. And I baby elephant. I cannot carry. Let me tell you, I have found a woman of my choice. Yes, I found a girl that I want to marry. Amanda. That's the girl. And nothing stops me. But you're still my friend, though. I will still be coming around to, working with you.
But where did you find this girl?
In this, forget about where I found the girl. It doesn't matter. But one day, you get to know her.
No, what I'm saying is, how did you, nah, cake is better than what? See, cake is better than go.
What did I do? I am too much now. You won't try me.
That's what I'm saying. Cake is better.
But what are you doing here?
What are you doing here? I'm supposed to be asking you that question. What are you doing here? You are drinking and enjoying your life, right?
So what is wrong with that?
What is wrong? You don't know what is wrong with that. Have you paid my school fees?
So I should be weeping and crying because I'm not paying your school fees, eh?
No, you don't know before. You don't know before that as you have not paid my school fees, it's more like you are owing me. You don't know. You have the mind, you have the audacity to come here, sit down, order drink, and be enjoying yourself while you are owing me.
So somebody cannot buy me drink again in peace because I'm owing or I've not paid your school fees?
Oh, there was somebody that bought it for you. And you had the guts to collect it and be drinking. Somebody that is owing somebody, you have the guts to have appetite to be drinking. Oga, when are you paying my school fees? So, when I told you that I want to be a neurosurgeon, as all these neurosurgeons I've been talking about, you're thinking I'm joking, right?
If you cannot become a neurosurgeon, try native doctor or witch doctor. Huh? After all, they all do the same thing. Either they heal people or they kill people.
Hey, see, my aim in life is not like I'm just calling this neurosurgeon in my mouth. My aim in life is to be the best or one of the biggest, greatest neurosurgeons or surgeons in this world.
I think you make a good witch doctor or native doctor, considering your size and your looks. Don't worry, I know of a very powerful native doctor, Ume. Almost your size, very powerful. Don't think about going back to school because by tomorrow you're going to start an apprenticeship with him. And by the grace of God, you're going to make the greatest witch doctor of the whole universe. It's in you now. Look at you. You be like a woman. So don't think about going to school.
See, if you're not paying my school fees, no words, enjoyment. If you're not paying my school fees, no words, enjoyment. No words, enjoyment.
Yeah, this girl, will you just get out of here right now before I lose it?
I'm getting out already.
Guy, will you just drop my phone?
I am getting out.
I said drop my phone.
I'm not dropping this one because you don't use to hear what. I've told you several to pay my school fees. Pay my school fees. The next time I will come in.
Come on, will you go?
I'm not
Now look at this video. Telling me what to do. Somebody I put in my house, I feed her, I clothe her, I accommodate her. She has the effrontery where I'm enjoying myself to come and tell me, hey!
You know, you're my friend.
A very good friend, that's who you are.
And you know, I don't support evil.
Nobody supports evil now. Nobody.
I always say it the way it is. Okay? Hey, Bakama. You have not paid her school fees. And you want to marry a second wife with the money her mother sent.
But stop it there. Hold it there. See, this is the first and last time you have to poke nose into my family matter. What's the problem? Don't ever try it again. Friendship or no friendship, I don't like it. Idiot.
I beg, go bring soup.
No far because you cook. You go, you want another soup.
You could take off a even could off it.
You go that well.
You could off it.
Where do you think you are going? Eh? What are you going to do?
Papa, no. Are you back?
I am front.
Welcome.
Welcome, Kegi. No, well, mound up. Come. Do you guys ever pity yourselves at all? Now I'm asking you, do you ever have mercy on yourselves?
Papa, see, they show mercy. But when it comes to food, Papa, food is life.
What do you concern mercy? Food? I don't understand.
Hey, Papa, please your face.
Okay. Even if you don't have mercy on yourselves, do you ever pity the unfortunate young man that will carry this load into his house? Hey!
Papa, when came unfortunate, when time comes, all of us will marry. We will marry. Do you show you know? But for now, can I face go to the Nyampa?
You face earlier. Look at you.
Come on, dry, Papa. My hands are all dried up. I'm still like near how with themselves. Can't get soup now.
How will you sit down there? Sit down there!
Hey, what did I do this man out there?
Listen. You forgot to lose your appetite. And I'm going to remind you are going to lose your appetite from now on. Lose your appetite and also lose your weight.
This one is waiting. Papa, me.
I see my under 16 sister. Hey, again.
Figure 8.
Papa, figure 8.
Oh! That is what you are.
Papa, you should be proud that your daughter. No, we both flesh.
Flanging.
You men eat flesh.
Okay.
Go fast and get soup.
Papa.
Listen, I am going to start from today to ration your meals. Your food must be rationed from now. Not just that. I'm also going to draw up a timetable for your workout. Look at them, a workout.
Workout.
So you don't know what workout is?
Papa, what is workout?
Don't worry. By the time we begin to work out, you know what workout is. You have to trim down.
I remember workout.
Papa, real men eat flesh.
Real men eat flesh. Man, nothing.
In this life, it is good to make money. Once you make money, you control money. And once you're controlling money, you're controlling women. This life is so sweet too. What is it again?
I want to speak with my mother.
You want to speak to your mother?
Call her. Let me talk to her.
Why do you want to speak to her?
Don't I have the right to talk to my mother? Okay, call her. Let me talk to her. Let me tell her how you have been squandering all the money she has been spending in this house. You don't even want to pay my school fees. You have been spending the money.
Wait. So in your mind, you think your mother has been sending me money, right?
She has been sending flour. No, she has been sending food. Okay, call her. You even bought yourself a phone. Who gave you the money to buy this phone?
So you think I cannot make money on my own? No, you think I can't make money on my own?
Make money on your own. As if you are working or you are doing something. You are doing big boy with somebody's money.
Hey.
You are doing big man. Chopping food, eating anything you like. The only explanation I can give is that my mother sent you money. I did not hear I sold my property. Which even, do you have any property that you will sell? And it's not like you are doing any work. Let me say, okay, you are beginning to work hard. You are doing better work. You are beginning to be too hard working these days. You are not doing anything. You are just at home squandering money, eating up and down. You eat, you shit it out. You sleep, you make mouth. You do nonsense.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Look at this little Prado. You know you're very mad. So you think I am lazy or unintelligent, right?
You are the one that just said it now. You are lazy and unintelligent.
I'm the one that do what?
Have I eaten today?
Have I
eaten today? Have I eaten? Okay, have I eaten?
Hey!
You are eating. You don't even ask me if I've eaten. You are eating. Have I eaten?
This is not what I bargained for. In fact, I'm going to call your mother and tell her that you're actually insulting me here.
Okay, have I eaten?
If I. No problem. Today. Yeah, what? Come here again now. Oh, tabazi apun. Oh, tababu.
So tell me, Chief, do you like what you see?
Of course, I love what I see, baby. They are so succulent, you know what I'm saying? Hey.
Oh my God, naughty you, Chief. But are you sure you can handle this? Take a look at it. Are you sure you can handle it?
Hey, this is more now. I can handle you and even more. Yes, this is sweet.
I am hotter than fire, you know that, right? And you are an old man.
Get out of here, man. I'm going to quench that fire, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to quench that fire. And for your information, I'm not really that old, though. If I handle you, you will scream. Scream.
Is that so? Okay. So, Chief, are you still going to give me the money we talked about the last time?
Oh, sorry. My bad. I forgot. I forgot, but don't worry, I'm going to send the money as soon as I drop this call, Expect some gritty in your phone.
You see why I say you're so sweet. I just love you, Chief.
I love you too. Shake it again, baby. Shake it again, baby. Shake it again. Nice one. So, when are you coming to see me? Because honestly, I've been missing you. If you look at
Who you want to see? Wait. Come on.
Hey! You wire don't cast. Make madam don't land. Hey! Make madam don't land though.
Where? Where? For this house? Now they ask you for this house? Oh, you not fit talk now. So who you want send money after you drop the cup? You want send person money after you drop cup? Yeah? You be like say the small piece where you dey enjoy for this house. You know like her. You want take your own hand, sign your own death warrant, okay?
Yeah, Justina, just listen to me. Listen to me, Justina. I'm a man. I'm a full-fledged man. I have the right to take my own decision. And let me tell you, I'm taking that decision and that's final. Yeah, Ngozi, NG, my sister, how are you? Yes, so we are fine, we are great. And you? And how is America? Oh, you guys are awesome. I know. How's the weather there now? Oh, good. No, Isoma is fine. She's good. She's fast asleep now. Yes. Ah, you want to talk to her? No, now. Allow her to sleep a bit. You know, she's still a kid. And very soon she'll wake up now and begin to prepare for school. She needs all the rest. You know, she can... Yes. Yeah, my wife is fine. They're all fine. They're all fast asleep right now. Yes. Huh? Enjoyment galore. Ngozi, there's something I want to tell you. Yes, there's a land I need you to buy. Yes. It's by the express at a very good location and very affordable. Yes, now, I can't give you something I have not seen. Yes, I need you to buy that land. Eh? Yes, so just send the money, then I will acquire it for you. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. All right.
Are you blind? Who's that
Are you
person?
stupid? What's the problem?
Which one is are you stupid? You not see me here? Eh? You want to kill me, Abby?
Oh, kill you to gain what? What am I going to gain if I kill you? See, if I was going to gain anything by killing you, we wouldn't have any need for this discussion. You understand me?
Oh, okay. You would have killed me since.
Long time ago, I've acquired you.
Wow.
Yes, so.
Wow.
Yes.
No, voila.
No shaking.
Who was that person you were talking to?
And how is it your business?
But you're telling the person that if somebody is sleeping, I should soon go to school. Which school?
I'm trying to even promote you. There's a children's party that's going on. My business colleagues, their kids are gathering. So I want to, for you to go there and enjoy yourself a little.
Odogu. Bado.
Yeah.
Ushe.
Bad. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Hey. Which kind of lifestyle be this? Which kind poverty lifestyle be this? Upon saying my mama the same money. Yet these people keep starving me in their house. Is it because it's even their house? What kind of nonsense is this? God, now you go help me punish these people. This useless woman and her wicked husband, you will help me and punish them. No school, no food, no peace. What kind of life is this? Wait though. This shrine we dey for this place. Should be people they come drop sacrifice. They drop something for sacrifice. Like I'll go there, go find something chop. At least let me just use that one and hold myself. It's not good to now. I can just find. It's clear. Hey! Attacker! I said it. Food don't land. Ha! Jesus! You know the consciousness for this kind of thing. Sorry, God, sorry. No vex. So I'm Gus. I don't come. I want to talk with you. No vex with me, yeah? Okay. Just see. It's not my fault. Food no day. Water no day. Country hard. Yeah? I can help you and discuss with you. We can discuss about the future. When you're little doctor. When you hear them, you need to look at you. I'll go for one. Something here. Okay. Jesus. Gosh. Yeah. Gosh.
Like this. Do! Come on, do as I do. Do as I do. Now, hands forward straight. Good. Do as I do. When I say do as I do, you say do. Do as I do.
Do.
Do as I do.
Do.
Do as I do.
Do.
Do as I do.
Do.
Do as I do.
Do.
1. Do it. 1, 2. Look at this. Come on, do it one.
Papa, I'm tired.
Hey, come on, stand up. Listen, stand up. Let me show you. Stand up. Yeah, good. Now, do like this. Look at me. You do like this. 1, 2. 1,
Hey,
2.
my belly go bust, so Papa.
That is it. I want you to bust now. So that all those shit, all those pack of shit will diminish. Now, 1 to go.
Papa, let's take a break.
What else should take a break for? Do it. 1 to go. 1, 2, 1. Do it.
Papa, I beg. Let's take a break.
What kind of sugar like this?
Papa, please, let's take food break. Oh,
You see? Your mother rightly gave you that name, Dorothy. And that's what you are. Dorothy.
Papa,
Are you sure there? Let me talk. Are you trying to lose weight or gain it? Food every time. Little exercise you cannot. You can't even shake your body.
Papa, because time na I will faint.
Papa, nah.
Quiet.
Papa, let's eat. Let's go and eat as we used.
I want to give you a very important information.
Quiet.
You have a very big opportunity to marry a rich man now. Assistant. Quiet! When I'm talking, you shut up and listen. You run your mouth and you look at see how big you are. Listen, for you to qualify to marry that man, the man has pounds and dollars. He's very rich. For you to qualify to marry him, you must slim down.
Papa, money is not everything now. A man who will love us the way we are.
Shut up there.
No,
we don't do that. Nobody does that anymore. Nobody marries cows and equals. Yeah? Cows and equals. Nobody marries them this time. Yeah? You must slim down.
Papa, let's eat like we used to now. Shape. Tomorrow we'll continue now.
Look at you. What's your shape? I want you to slim down. Yeah? Now, you have eaten 3 times already this morning. So you are done for today.
Papa.
From tomorrow, you'll be eating once a day. And that is by 1 p.m.
Will you follow us and eating once a day?
Of course, you know me. You know that I don't even eat. Not even eat.
Hey.
So, get up. Let's do once more. Let's come on. Yes, position for exercise. Take. Go. Come back here.
Papa, leave that in my bed. Yeah?
Look at it. Hey! Where is the woman that gave me these bunches of breadfruit? That is what they are.
This my body's over for me.
Yeah.
You cannot hold me down, cause the sky is up above me.
I have said my own, and that is final. Yes.
You don't hear of World War II. Person don't gist you how the war take go. And the person when they kill for inside the war, don't come for your dream, show you what happen for the war.
Justina, what has World War II got to do with what we are talking about here?
You see that World War II?
Yes.
It go small.
Okay.
It go be shikini matter. It go be child's play compared to the war where you dey draw come this house. See what you dey talk. You gon bring second wife. How? Okay, so after I don't suffer with you, after I enjoy poverty with you, drink garri with you, yeah? Now where we don't make am.
Excuse me. Who be the we? No, how many of us make am? Who be the we? Tell me, who be the we that made it? By the way, do you even know how the money we've been spending here, how it came about? Huh? And you're telling me, neither you make it, neither you make it. You are who made it.
And now I know why they say, make you no trust the loyalty of a poor man. Okay. So because luck don't manage smile for your side, you don't deform Jagaban. You don't know, say you need another woman. Why you don't need another woman that time where poverty they hammer your head?
Thank you.
Why you not talk about second wife?
Thank you. You said I didn't have money then. I don't get money that time, but now that I've made it, can't I change soup? Or you expect me to stick to one particular soup all my life? It's not possible now. It's not possible. Even if the soup don't sour, you want me to continue? No, now.
The
no.
thunder from Zimbabwe, scatter that your mouth.
Back to sender.
Make thunder from Togo, divide your mouth.
Like then go join your own.
Who don't sour?
I was not talking about you, Justin. I was only making examples with soup.
Hey!
Mama, wait. Mama, wait first. Calm down, Papa. I don't know, say we don't make a move, Mama. Wait, Papa, wait. Wetin you say, wetin you say? Abi the Baba Ijebu they play day and night, you don't finally collect.
Answer. Answer the question where your daughter they ask you. Answer.
See, I've made up my mind. So brace yourself and get prepared for a second wife in this house, and that is final.
Papa, second wife for house will be say, you never fit pay his summer school fees.
Shut up your mouth there!
Which school fees you want me to pay?
And by the way, where is that small rat? Where is that small brat?
Papa, I don't know.
You don't know.
Who are those shoes? They are making noise in my house. Are you mad?
See. What is she talk?
You. You. Get out, I want to sleep.
Huh? Wait. Is she high or something?
You give this goat food.
No, Mama.
How she get energy to talk nonsense?
I said get out, I want to sleep. Get out!
Justina! Justina! Justina, it's okay. Please leave her.
Just
No!
it's okay now.
Please, Justina, please leave her. It's okay.
What did happen for you?
It's all right.
You sure say you're not giving her something?
Get out.
Wait. If I slap him, now you the talk.
Imaboom.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Eh.
Justina, please. I'm taking in the name of God. Stop. Hey!
You feel him?
I feel him too much. Bam. Please, I'm begging you. Hi. Jesus.
Now what's happened?
I don't even know.
Hey.
Hi.
Isioma.
Papa, good morning, sir. Mama, good morning, ma. I don't dey go school.
You sure say this next to that?
I think so. That looks like she's still breathing.
It's a good man. A good man.
So, what we go call wetin happen last night?
Honestly, I do not understand. I don't understand. Anyway, that's by the way. And like I was trying to explain to you last night, my guests are coming today. And please, I do not want any drama at all. Please.
Which guest?
My wife to be. I told you.
So for your small mind now, you think I go waste my energy for me and you to begin talk this nonsense topic? May them come. Hey, and they wait for them.
Okay. See, Justina, if they come and any of you tries any rubbish, I'll divorce you immediately without notice.
Babe, you still there here? Are you still here?
I don't understand. Me, I suppose day before. Abi, you don't dey pursue me for my own house.
What will you say? Are you not going to visit your village chief priest again? Abi, no be today.
Oh, I forgot.
Hi. Forget things so.
What will I do now? And the village is not actually far from here.
So you really want to go and see this man? You won't go see him?
But I've given that old man so much excuses. What will I tell him again? Hi. He's even the one calling me. Hi. What will I tell him?
Why are you looking at me? Why are you asking me what will I tell him? What will I tell him? And when you were eating his money, did you seek advice from me on how to spend it? Now you're asking me excuse to give him. My dear, the only way you can continue eating this man's money without meeting him physical is by African science. African science.
Wait. Let me understand you very well. Maybe I don't understand English. You mean juju?
They play. My dear, nobody be mumu again for this life. Oh. Everybody I don't tear. That man, I go clear one day. They play.
Linda, what? You actually telling me that I should go and do juju? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
I did not tell you. I did not ask you to go and do juju. I said African science.
Oh, yeah, tell me now, what is African science? Is it not juju? No, say it now because it's juju. God forbid, I will never. Don't advise me such again.
Okay, you will never. Okay, please. It's better you never, and keep it to yourself. Don't bring your matter to me again. Carry your cross. Carry your cross. Don't try it again. Don't bring this matter to me again. Because,
no problem.
If
this is the only advice you can give to a friend, don't give me. Hold your advice.
Oh, yeah,
why will you tell me that I shouldn't do?
People will be trying. I'll be trying to help you. Just be doing anyhow.
This is the help, Juju.
African science.
What is wrong with Amanda now? Pick your call now.
Ha!
Hey, see you. You see all this rubbish, all this gara-gara you're doing in this house is just rubbish. Rubbish, total rubbish. I must marry Amanda, whether you like it or not.
I dey beg you.
Okay.
I know they beg you. Mariam! Mariam! The only thing why they tell you be say, as you they gather money to pay her bride price, to do her marriage rights, also they save money where you go take do her burial. Yes! Because if she enter this house, she's dead. If she enters this house, so Ozu Gado, try me. I'm walking for my try me.
I know they do again. I know they do again. I know they go down school again.
What is it? What do you need to do again? What's the problem? What is the problem?
Your face not even good for Christ, so stop that rubbish.
I want to go to school again. If this someone they go to school, I want to go again.
What do you mean by that?
Well, it's okay. Fine. It's good.
What do you mean by fine? No, which one be fine? Now, may she not go to school?
I've always known that this whole school idea was a scam. A waste of time and my precious money. And after all, she's old enough to get married. Yes.
Now, you talk this thing a bit before come out from your mouth.
Okay.
Which one be... Oh, okay, now your plan now. You won't package your liability, go hang down for innocent man head. Don't be so. You won't carry this liability. This one will not get anything to show. In fact, this one, no education, no skill, no business idea, nothing. Just okoro. You won't carry him. If now your son person carry this kind of person come marry, you go like him.
No, be liability.
Oh, shut up your mouth, dear. What do you know how to do? No, wetin you fit boast of. Now wetin I want to know. Common school where we send you, your brain no even fit carry am. Which kind of human being where you be? Anyway, the only reason why I know the two shout be say, your brain undi ben nile. Yes, now so all of them they from his grandmother, all of them won't come out.
Mama, you say una leave me, make I focus my life on waiting my head carry. Una no gree. You know Papa say make I go do science because in summer they do science. Now I don't stop this summer make it no go. So I won't take up with science now. If you say you leave, make I pursue my chef business.
No, second. Chef, you see your daughter. Your daughter wants to get a career in cooking business. You want to become a cooker?
Papa, no be cook, no be mama put, no be like mama put. You know you have chef like professional chefs them. Like they come with popularity, they come with fame. And if I do, I won't do my, arrange myself. And I won't change my name because Nkiru no go to sound good. So I just.
So which name you want change them to?
Hey, Mama, God bless you. Chef Lillian.
Hey! And I've been wasting my money paying your school fees. Chef, ordinary cooking, ordinary mama put that you could have easily learned from my Mama Meka's food joint. Hey! See, I give you the end of this year to look for a husband to marry. Or else, I will collect your bride price from any idiot, even any imbecile, any dwarf that comes your way.
Now your plan before you don't go work. Now your plan before.
Did I call your name here now just now?
You not go work.
Did I not show your name here?
Okay, you go carry and go marry to dwarf or anything.
You have to get a husband. She's old enough to have a husband at her age.
The woman where you want marry na dwarf.
How old are you when I married you?
How old are you when I marry na dwarf? But my friend, if you know what's good for you, go. I want
to go back to school.
You know,
I want to go school. I want to go back to school. I want to go back.
You know, go. Try am if they born you.
What are you telling? How old are you when I married you?
She... my enemies to shame. Gonna take down one my party from you. I just would have said they will not live to see me survive. They will not live to see me make it in life. He has won my battle today. Those people that say that they will not live to see me become a neurosurgeon. I'll be the one to operate their brain. Because my Lord has won my battle today.
Hey. I hope you're not referring to me.
Beg, I beg. I'm not in the mood, I beg.
Wait, is it me you're telling that one? That you're not in the mood?
You're even lucky I called you uncle. Because I've lost all the respect I should give you as uncle. You're not my uncle again. I'm just still calling you uncle because I don't know. I've not seen what a tangible thing to call you. Just be managing that one till I see something to call you.
Yes.
You are just useless to me now. Do you know me? Do I know you? You are useless. In fact, you're a useless sight.
Me? Useless?
Do you feed me? Do you take care of me?
No.
Have you paid my school fees?
No.
Do you clothe me?
No.
So, are you not useless? You are a non-analytical, useless, bombastical, useless, foolish,
Me?
useless.
Me? Useless? Yeah. Me? Useless?
Yes.
Me? Useless? That's your hand that they use.
Wait, relax.
You will not use that hand to
Hey, see,
slap Papa come off her eye.
a trap does not need to run before it catches a rat. Don't worry, I'll get you. I will get you.
I'm a winner, man.
Relax.
I'm a winner,
You are lucky say no be me you tell that thing. If na me you tell this thing to. You see this rap where you rap or waka for here. I go give you microphone. Then come take my hand. Come out your tongue from your mouth. I'm not gonna even defend them after all. I'm fool in be.
You see?
If to say na me you tell that thing. Call it.
Hey, mama. She's right now. In fact, this girl, na truth teller she be.
Which truth she talk?
Papa dey use, in fact, Papa dey useless for her.
The great. Me, are they useless?
Papa dey useless.
Yes, now.
They go to side. Then so come. Come close. You no go come. I say come, you say you no go come.
Hey! Me? Useless. What? Amanda, hey! Relax now. Can't I just have a moment of peace in my house?
If you call that girl,
I'm him.
Try it.
I'm him.
Try, yeah.
Hey,
Try it.
I beg you, this one is too much. Go and rest.
You go and rest. In easy, you can.
Go and take afternoon sleep.
You go and take afternoon sleep.
Okay. There's. Aye. Pick your call now.
Where did you say you met this girl, Amanda?
See, it's like this girl wants to play smart on me. She's not even picking my calls.
I'm asking you where you met her. Where did you say you met her?
I met her on social media.
Social media?
On Facebook.
Oh! Ibakama. Why would you allow yourself to fall prey to all these social media demons?
But she was giving me attention. She was there for me. She was giving me every attention I needed.
Why would she give you attention? Were you not giving her money? You were giving her money. So she gave you attention. And now what?
Wait. She's the one calling me. Yeah, hello baby. What happened now? I've been calling your phone. Huh? What really happened now? Oh, you won't be able to keep up today, huh? Hi. Huh? What really happened? No. Don't sugar me, please. Don't just sugar me. What really happened? What? I should send you 50,000 naira. The thunder plus a little bit of lightning fired at your mouth. You the mad? Yes, Amanda said, may Amadioha strike you dead. You the Chris? See. What you're giving me now is bitter leaf. In fact, you're giving me pepper, Cameroon pepper. Now listen to me. I am not sending you one more kobo. Do you understand me? Now I can imagine. Can you imagine this?
What
that she cannot meet up today. And she still has the effrontery to ask me to send her 50,000 naira.
How? Ekpe?
Hi!
Ekpe? Look at. But how much have you sent to her so far?
But Lumi, I don't think that's important now. Let's talk something else, please.
You see? She wants to make you dry.
But that's the end. That is the end. She will never get one kobo again from me.
Are you a mugu? What a mugu now? Why would you be sending her money? Yeah? But Ibakama, don't you think it is time you brought your search back to this community? You may eventually find a very good and beautiful girl to marry. Yes! Oh, okay. Bring your search around my compound. Yes!
Which compound? Your own? To all these your daughters that look like elephants, baby elephant. I cannot contend them. They are too. No.
Listen, there you get it wrong. I'm working on them right now as I speak with you. They're losing weight. In fact, I'm trimming them down to your size.
Talk something else. I beg. This one. Who is there, please? The man, give me one bottle. I beg.
You believe me? No, continue pushing Amanda.
Now me, this girl do
Amanda
like this.
Facebook.
Now me, this girl do like this.
Why would you do like that? In fact, she.
Who's there now? Mona, give me beer. I beg.
Do more. Mother, bring beer.
Chai, this maga don't wise up. My formats don't cast. But I don't chop this man. Oh. He's such an easy prey. What do I do? Linda was right. There is no mugu for life. Omo, I will not let this mugu go. But I can't give him what he wants now. I have to try this African science. Yes, I have to try it and see if it's even going to work.
So, take.
Give me here.
Take.
Papa, what is this for?
This is your breakfast.
Yeah. Papa, give me breakfast. Give me the apple. Ofe egusi esi no mu no.
Apple one get there. Ofe egusi on get back.
Papa. Papa, so you want to give all these things to eat?
This is your breakfast. And this is the way you'll be taking it every day.
This is becoming too much.
What is becoming too much?
This is coming, in short, I'm going to do Omunna.
I'm
going to the Kingsmen. This is coming too much. In my own father's house, you want to come and stab me again. Papa, you're becoming too wicked these days. Papa, what is this, Papa? I don't understand. It's like, no, it's the appetizer. Papa can't be serious.
Quiet. There is nothing appetizing about it. This is your breakfast, and this is what you'll be taking every morning.
You cannot be serious, Papa. You cannot be serious.
Okay.
Please. Papa, this is not nice now. In fact, Dorongwa, we are going straight to the Omunna. Let's go and report because you have got wickedness, Papa. We are going to report you to the Omunna that you are stabbing us, your children. After going to the Omunna, we'll go to our maternal home. Let's tell them that you are starving us. Meanwhile, Dorongwa, go and warm the soup. Can you go to 2,000? 2,000. Papa, this is enough.
Hey, listen, there is no soup in that kitchen. I have locked up the soup in my bedroom. So, you can go and buy apple 5,000. There will be no soup for you to eat with it. Look at them. Eh? Hi!
Atoka. Zana, my sure plug. My sure food plug. Anytime. Because I'm happy. You're happy for me. My God will bless you for me. Thank you so much.
One.
Wise one. Hey, thank God I met you here. I've come a long way, wise one. Hey.
Which God? Which God? The God here or this God?
So I mean thank the devil. No, sorry, thank the gods I met you here.
Thanks the gods.
Yes, the gods.
Who want me just... Sorry. Okay, so you want me to do something for you?
Yes. I want you to help me untie my man. Just tie him for me.
Your man?
Yes.
You want me to tie your man?
Yes.
He's a man now.
He's my man, but I want you to tie him. He used to give me money before, but he stopped giving me. So I want you to help me untie him back.
Okay. Okay, you will pay. Pay 20,000.
Only? Ha, no problem. 20,000. I'll give you, wise one.
Pay 30,000.
30,000. Wise one is not a problem. I will give you. So far you help me untie him and do what I want. Take.
Wow.
It's even more than 30,000. Just take.
Wow.
Tie him for me.
No, I'll tie him for you, yeah? Okay. So you sit down. Sit down. Let me start work.
Okay, I should sit down here.
Where do you used to call me before now? Where do you sit? Okay. It's there, yeah?
Yes.
Come and sit down. Come and sit here. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Oh yeah. Stretch for your hand. So, say what you want the gods to do for you.
Okay. The gods, I want you to make my man to start giving me money. Give me plenty money. Even buy car for me. That's what I want.
Buy car for you. Okay. Okay, so once you get home, make sure that nobody's at home, nobody's watching you, nobody is there. Now carry that, so carry like this now. You say what you want the gods to do for you. Then you now wave it over your head like this. Call his name 3 times. Now put it back inside your pocket.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, wise one. See, if this thing works, I will come back here and give you 10% of everything I collect from him.
Are you serious?
Yes, wise one. I'm very serious. I promise you, to God, I will bring it for you.
To God? Which God?
I mean the gods.
To gods.
To gods.
Yeah, you turn to the gods and promise the gods that you bring the money. Yeah.
I should say to
yes, okay. Promise the gods.
Gods, I promise you that anything I get, if this thing works, I will bring the 10% for you.
Yes, you are not giving it to gods, you are giving it to me. Am I not the one that give you the magic? Okay. You are giving it to me. Gods is just watching over you to bring the thing. Okay.
Anything he gives me, I will bring the 10% and I will give it to you.
Me? Yes. So gods should bring it to me, yeah? Because they don't have account.
Okay.
I'll not come and share with you people, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, go.
I should put it in my bag.
Yes. Make sure that nobody is at home. Will be at home where you are doing it. Okay. They catch you, not call my name.
No problem. Thank you so much, wise one.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Thank you. I'll be on my way. Thank you.
Jesus. Gosh. What happened? Gosh, I don't want to worship you. I don't want to serve you. I just come for food. I don't want to serve you, yeah? I'm innocent. Sorry. I don't know if the clothes can't enter my body. Who give me red clothes? Okay, I'm not doing that.
Madam, where have you been?
Meaning
you left very early this morning. before I even woke up without telling me where you were going to.
Linda, please. I had a very hectic day. Please, I am tired. Biko.
You went to see a juju priest, Abi?
You were the one that directed me to the juju man's place. Yes, now you direct me. Please, Linda, mind your business. I don't have time for all this. Biko.
If you like, you accept. If you like, you deny. Anyways, your Ekuke boyfriend was here today.
I don't understand. Ekuke boyfriend? Who is Ekuke boyfriend?
Oh, now. Oh.
Linda, be respecting yourself. Oh. What's all those nonsense now? What will you be calling poor Ekuke boyfriend? I've told you times to that number that he's my main boyfriend. Stop it, I don't like it. Stop calling him names.
Oh, sorry, yo. Your Odogu boyfriend was here today. Your president general among the nation. He was here today, your main guy. And I didn't know what to tell him, because you did not tell me where you were going to.
Beg. What time did he come and where did you tell him I went?
I don't understand. Which did that leg start now? Which one where he come? Oh, no. I should be keeping record. I should be checking time on when he comes and when he leaves. I don't understand now. All I know is that he came and he did not stay long. And I believe he came to beg for money again.
Linda, have I ever borrowed money from you to give to Paul? Has Paul ever directly collected money from you? No, tell me now, what is it? Even if he's a cookie boyfriend, you go and get Ochaka Omaka. Go and get one, let me hear. Okay. You took Urabe every day. There is nothing you're doing. Crossing your leg.
Now, bad thing I do. I'm only telling you your Odogu, your president general came today. Your main guy. Now, bad thing where I do.
Mind your business in this house, Olinda. Mind your business. Mind your business. Go and get one. If it's easy to have a boyfriend, go out there, get one for yourself. Because you're so jealous of me that you can't even hide it. You cannot hide it. I beg.
You do your own. No blame
you. Yay! Organikwa. What is going? Isioma. How many age? What is this one?
What is what?
Which one is what is what? I'm asking you a question. You're not just are you mad? I said how come? How manage?
How manage what? I'm eating rice and chicken. How manage what? Is your own rice missing?
So, Isioma, you are the one that been stealing all the money that been missing in this house. When you go rice,
which money? Do you have money? Do you work? Yeah. Does your husband work? Which money? Is it not my mother's money that I've been sustaining you people in this house?
Okay, that is what you are saying. No problem. As in my house, under my roof, you just go to chicken, go to rice,
do you give me food? No. When last did you feed me in this house that you are complaining? Why are you complaining? You don't have to complain.
Okay, when last did I feed you in this house? You see that small crumb you have been managing to eat before? Cancel it. Because from today, you are very stupid. I don't blame you. Okay, the money that you stole is still remaining. It will soon finish, then you will come.
This is one thing about all these married women that cannot keep their husband. You talk too much. You talk. You talk and take your attention, your concentration, and your marriage. I saw your husband talking one lady. Once married lady, and you're here talking. How will you know? Because you talk too much. You talk too much.
I talk too much. Jenso, no, come here. Put your chicken. No, come. If you come, if you come here, if I don't twist that your long tiffin mouth, man or boy,
give me my
I'm in short. Bring that rice.
Come and take it.
Bring that rice here.
Take it.
Bring that rice.
Nonsense.
I'm not fear.
Give my drink.
You saw my husband talking with another woman. Amen. So when you saw them, what did you do?
Calm down. Give me my drink.
What did you do when you saw them?
You want me to just say please?
When did you saw? When you saw them, what did you do?
Easy.
Please. I know Pama.
I will not beg you for food again. I will not beg you for food again. I have my money.
Mr. Ibe, I want you to send me money now.
Anything I want, you will give it to me. Even the car, you will buy it for me. Mr. Ibe! Mr. Ibe! Mr. Ibe! Send me money now!
No alert. Why is one say this thing they work instant now?
Mr. Ibe! Mr. Ibe! Mr. Ibe! Send me money now!
Amanda! Linda, who are you talking to? Don't tell me you're talking to yourself.
Ha! I don't understand. In my own house, don't I have the right to talk again? Meanwhile, I thought you went out.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm back. Abi, you know they see me.
Oh my God!
Oh your God, what?
Oh my God!
Hey, what is it?
What is what? Won't you mind your business? Hello, sweetheart. Yes, baby.
Yeah. Sweetheart.
I hope you received what I sent to you. Eh?
Yes, baby. I received it. Thank you.
Oh, that's good. You see, I actually want you to be happy for me, eh? Be happy for me. See. I'll send more next week because I'm expecting some money. So just make do with that for now.
Are you serious, baby? Thank you so much. You're so sweet.
Thank you. You're a sweetheart. But Amanda, why don't you want to come over and visit me?
Baby. It's not like I don't want to come and visit you. I'm just scared. You know, your wife might attack me.
Who? My wife? Attack you for what? Now listen, who is marrying who? Is it not me that's marrying her? See, Amanda, if you want to come over, come over. Forget about my wife. She can't do anything. She can't. Who born her?
Okay, baby, you know what? Why don't you come and visit me?
Oh, you want me to come over?
Maybe you just come, then stay like 3 days. I promise I'm going to take care of you, pamper you, cook for you, and lastly, I will give it to you sugar.
Oh, you're touching me in some areas now. Okay, don't worry, I'll come over. Huh? I'll see you soon. But in the meanwhile, no, don't cut yet. Relax. Don't cut, Amanda. I just give me a kiss. Plant it. Let me hear the sound.
Okay, baby.
You heard that?
Alright, baby.
Nice. You see? Okay, you know what? Okay, I'll give you a cook. Okay, see. I'll be traveling for a business meeting by next week. So you take care of the house, right?
This bread we bought, is it for me and you or is it for only me? Now every bread is Jegote. So it's not good to me.
Probably for only you.
This one where you go buy, how much they give you?
Dorati.
Papa is there. Papa, you say you should eat something light.
Yes,
look at it though, you are eating slim tea.
Something light.
What is this?
Papa, you say you should stop eating that. So this is slim tea and bread. Something very light.
Slim tea? You tell me this is slim tea?
Tea and bread.
Slim tea with 3 tins of milk. 3 tins of milk.
What is tea without milk?
Hey.
Papa?
Now, assuming the slim tea actually works. With 3 tins of milk. 3 tins. How can it work? Now, it has become fattening tea. Not slim tea.
Oh, Papa, this is a slim tea. Look at it now. Papa, look at it. Look where the
this is milk.
Papa, they say it's slim tea, no cholesterol, nothing, even a brief, nothing there inside.
Abi, should you go back to our apple? We left our apple for you.
Yes,
so let's go to slimming tea.
Since you want to do it this way, we will peacefully go back to our eating loy loy.
I wonder. I'm even complaining that the bread is too small. After all, you should be pointing more at Dorothy. Only I put the full bread. Papa, look at Dorothy is bigger than me. I'm your elder, so I'm supposed to be eating the big one. Papa, come and join us. Papa, let's go back to our food. Dorothy, go and buy fufu. Buy fufu. Papa, we will go and continue with our loi. Even this slim tea, we will continue with it.
Oh! What aqua basil? What aqua basil?
Look, woman, I said I am not hungry.
Wetin you dey talk? I no understand. Which one be say you no hungry? You no hungry, abi you no wan chop the food wey I cook? I know say you dey do all these things because you know say if you come out now, you go chop outside.
I'm glad you get the point. You get the point. I do not want to eat your food. Go ahead and eat it with your daughter and enjoy my money.
Wait now. No dey do like this now. Why you go reject my food? I be your wife. Okay, if na wetin I do or wetin I say, sorry. No vex. Oya, forgive me now. You no fit dey vex for me like this. Chop food wey I cool down cook for you.
Don't worry about me. I'm going out and I'll be fine. I'll take good care of myself. Don't worry. Go ahead and eat with your daughter. Do everything you want. Chop my money. Eat. I'll see you when I come back.
Where are you? Carry the food, go chop.
They cover your mouth, say make you no chop am. You chop am now, no one chop.
You too, they reject my food.
I know they chop now, I no beg you food now. I know they chop. So now you don't ask your husband, why you no want chop my food? You don't want to eat my food? What happened? What happened is that all the headache you don't give your husband for this house. All those headache now. You don't go outside, don't go find woman where they give a cure for the headache. If you come inside, you give a headache, you go outside and receive cure. And make you no want to chop your food again.
Ibe akama. Ibe akama. Wait. What's this? Are you looking for another girl online or what?
I am trying to buy a befitting car.
Haven't arrived. Ima, when Odugu arrives, you need a befitting car. Or what can I say?
No,
when you come out like this,
it's not from you. I want to buy the car for my Amanda, my potokri, soft, smooth, and succulent. Oh no, go on. My ogwabala.
Which one is your Amoy? Is it Amoy or
Amoy? Amanda now.
Amanda, the same girl in the city?
Nah, that girl love me die. I swear. The girl used law to finish me. If I see Amanda like this, I don't see Angel or Kennedy. Hey! This motor, this one will fit her.
Ibakama, are you with your clear eyes at all?
What kind of question is that? Am I not the same person who is here drinking with you? Or rather buying you a drink? Does that suggest in any way that I am not with my clear eyes? You think now?
Is it not the same Amanda that has been scamming you with fake love? No! Taking your money, promising to come and never showing up.
Amanda is not a scammer. Mind your words. She's not a scammer. But to just listen, don't ever open your mouth to call my Amoy a scammer. And let me tell you, I am going to marry her and there is nothing that will stop me. Everything, everything is down. Not even you, not my wife, not anybody can stop me from marrying Amanda. Eh? And you know what, just to let you know, she has even invited me to come pay her a visit in the city.
And you are going?
Is that even a question? No, is that a question? Do you know what she has in store for me? Eh? Do you know what Amanda has in store for me? See, there is this huge money I'm expecting. Nah, but once the money lands, once the money drops, when I forget, I'm off to the city. I might even decide to relocate permanently to the city to be with her. Hey, you see this thing you're drinking? You will stop it. Me, thank God you didn't say anything. I know the reason why I'm not drinking now. Manpower every day. Because when I get to the city, 2 days, Odime, 2 days you will carry belly twins. I'm preparing for that. So just cool down. I'm Wim. Hey, tomato puree. Egubuja. Tomato juice. Again.
This girl has used African magic to tie you. Okay, Godi.
Batu, Genti. I do not want to continue with this discussion anymore. Tell them to give you more drink if you want to drink, yeah? You see this Hamwim, nobody born of a woman. Not my useless wife at home, not you, not anybody can stop me from I'm not going to one. I'm on no go. You never go, you never see. When you go, you will see. The next time we go hear my story now, forget time. I'm gonna give him one more bottle, make it top up. No shaking.
Hey! We back and maybe go, man. Off war! Off war!
Cause no keep food for me again. What happened now? Ha! I don't fuck up. Which kind of thing be this one? Why did I not keep food? Wait oh. We don't become two. If somebody don't come here, can't take one. Can't take her. And I agree. Person come before me, can't chop what I supposed to chop, and I agree. And I know because of justice, so. And I know because of justice or because of justice, I don't know now. See me this one now. I mean, I don't go jail food for us now. To say I'll call your customer. Which kind of step is this one now? Now I don't fuck up. Oh, I better fuck up. See, what's now just depend on my last hope. Which now I'll call chop now. Wow.
Wise one. Wise one. Hey. Wise one. You see this your guts. This is the best guts anybody can serve. Immediately I called. Instant they answered.
Yes. Wow, that's good. That's good. Very good. So what do you want me to do now?
No, you know I promised you that once they do exactly what I say, I will come with the 10%. So I brought it for you.
Chai. Yeah. Chai. Jesus, Igwe.
Wise one. Did you just call Jesus?
No. Me? No. I said Jesus is carrot. Igwe, it's like all these things that I used to say. We used to say it here. If you have miracle, unexpected miracle, do you get? Now say, Jesus Iscariot betrayed Jesus. So the money that the brought is just one word. That's what we used to say it. It's history.
Okay, no problem, wise one, eh? I'm so happy. I just say let me come and thank you and fulfill my promise. I will be on my way.
Alright.
Thank you. Once he pays again, I will come back. I'm still expecting the car. So once he brings the car. Amen. Amen. Thank you, eh?
You're welcome. You're welcome. Come on, give me my money. Come on, give me the money. You keep food for me. You're like person they can carry the one where you keep food for me. If we don't reject food for us, the whole side will come here and see something. Now make a shot from the money, go buy something to chop. When I use supposed to keep something for me to eat.
Wise one, oh, wise one. Please help me. Help me.
Help you do what?
Help me. My son is dying. I don't know what happened though. All of a sudden, he started displaying strange ailment. Like convulsion, akoko. Please help me, wise one.
Oh, what do you now want me to do now?
I bought him medicine from chemist. He's still not okay.
I'm not chemist now. What do you want me to do, Kano?
Help me. Dibia, help me.
Dibia. Dibia. What will I not? Oh, now come and sit down. Let me know what I can ask the gods to do for me. Come on, the gods. Go to our land. But I'm going to go. Take. God said I should give you. You should squeeze the leaf very well so that liquid will come out. You now put it in your son's mouth. Then you cook everything together. Give him to drink it. He will be okay.
Okay.
You have to pay me now. Give me money.
Thank you, wise one. This is all I have here. I'll bring more.
Thank you.
I'll bring more.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Cool biz. Cool business. Cash out. My boss sees me, they learn magic small. Oh! Cool bees. Nasi. Thank you. Thank you for this business. It was nice doing business with you guys. See now, because I say I don't want to serve una, I don't want to worship una, now I make una no come keep something for me to chop. Ha! Now wicked though, not like that, now wicked. But no wahala, see, I go think about them, yeah? I'll think about it and get back to you if I will serve you people, yeah? Because now, I have business deal. Thank you.
So, after all these years why I follow this man suffer with him finish. That's so he won't pay me back. After everything why I endure, now way small money don't come. Wetin they think na to get second wife? Manacheru, who even be this woman? Who be this woman wey won't steal my husband from me? How I won't take day awake and allow am happen? Allow you. I have to do something now. I must do something about this. But wetin I want to do? Wetin I want to? Wetin I want to do? Hi!
Mama.
Here. Ogene, mama, you mefe.
Wetin dey think now?
Hi.
Wetin dey do you?
What is it? Hi.
Okay, anyways, no one said no even be my problem like this. Don't give me transport money. I won't go practice.
Which practice?
dancing practice.
Hey! God. Has no fool na ni. But this one. Nka anago kanai. Dance practice. Hey! What is this? So you have decided, as in, you sit down, look yourself, finish, you can't tell yourself, say, you one day useless. Not be so. Not be so.
Nah, mama. How na? I don't think so I want to useless. So, I don't want to go school again. I beg. I don't want to go school again. Since your papa no make I chase my dream to become chef. I don't sit down one day. Come realize say I get passion for dancing. No be all this village organic dance. Oh. No. Say you watch personally. Personal.
You know say na shower dey your eye. No, na shower dey your eye. Okay, so no be chef again.
No.
Na dancing.
Yes. And I go carry award come this
house. Come on, go shut that your dirty mouth office and see wetin you wear. Yeah, but people can na fake. No be your nyash be this. So now this thing you want wear come up from this house. You want go dancing.
Yes, ma'am.
See, go to where they give opportunity, make you go school. You leave am. You try. You can't decide for yourself, say you go day useless like this summer. Go inside. Go inside, you go comot that nonsense where you wear now. And if I hear dance for your mouth again, I go take wozin come out from your mouth.
Mama, that one no go happen. I know say you be my destiny killer, but you know, I no go inside that house.
You look yourself for me, that's over bloated adaka. See what you wear. Go inside, don't allow me talk too much.
No, Mama, give me transport now.
You want your transport?
Yes.
So that you go do a show. You don't go walk. Go inside now.
I want to go inside.
I think go inside.
I want to go inside.
Go inside.
I want to go inside now.
Go inside. Don't come on this nonsense.
No.
Go inside.
This might be over for me. You cannot hold me down, cause the sky is up above me. The heart is pure but constantly hurting. You cannot hurt the spirit, but the flesh is suffering from me.
Stand up, stand up. Stand up. Move your liquor. Stand. Move your liquor. Hold him. Everybody stand. The sickness is holding him down. That guy is sweating like that.
What are you people doing? She's not a doctor. Stop it. She is not a doctor. What did you say? I said, why would you bring your son to her for treatment when she's not a doctor?
Okay, I'm a doctor. I'm a neurosurgeon too. Hey. And I work on the brain. Let me check him injection before the sickness get to his brain.
Hey, Chibo. My son is not moving again. Let me check him now.
Will you stop this nonsense?
I'm going to check this injection now.
Hey, stop this now!
Get up from there. Get up. People, they find you.
Wise one. We are here to show appreciation for what you did for us.
Yes, sir.
My son, Benji, is okay now.
Yes, sir.
You don't mean it?
Yes, sir. You mean it? That is why we're here with this little gift. We say thank you.
Child. That's nice though.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
I beg, come. Come first. I'm coming.
Hey! Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're welcome, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Oh, this thing is big, oh. With our self, they don't used to reject gifts. Thank you, sir.
I don't understand. Biko, I don't understand all those things when you talk for inside that place. So now make I call you out to make you explain them to me like say I dey 5 years old, man, no nonsense. Eh? You mean that's a brat, that small dot where they inside that place? Give your husband the medicine. You give the medicine to your son. You cure him. Eh?
Ma'am, instantly. Ozubo. 3 days ago, my son had been battling a strange sickness. My son Benji. We went to chemist. He gave us a drug. But still yet, the sickness got worse. Then my husband decided to visit the wise one. And she gave us a herb. Immediately, my son got relief. My son is okay now. I want to go where Zubo.
Why? You can't bring Ogarillas. Because I'm not sure of who you saw. Chero, now that small thing where they inside. Nkano nime. Isioma. Onye ki na-ekwu ya?
Ya ka na-ekwu. Oh yawa.
Ya Isioma bụ wise one.
Ha. Ị na-eleli anya o. Ị na-eleli anya. Chukwu ji ewe gwo m nwa m amadirugo. My son is healthy now.
Ịhụ na arakwa ahụ eme. Ịnụkwa wise one. Ka wise man. Ka wise fool.
Mba. Nke ahụ ka amaghị ewe. I will not take that one from you. Please, don't call her any name. I said, Chineke ji ewe gwo nwa m. My son is healthy now.
Ị na-abara m mba?
Yes.
Ị na-abara m mba?
Akpalilia.
Maka Isioma?
Yes.
Chineke buo gị ọnụ. Chineke buo gị ọnụ.
Mba. I won't take that.
What be that one? Not be person went there my house. You don't know who you see.
That girl is the wise one. Wise one!
Yeah, this one will make sense now. Have you?
And you have to stand now. Let me take you.
Yes, I'm construction
engineer. Don't happy. How do you press it? Okay.
Yeah, anyway, and I'm moving.
Push. Engineer.
Let me see. Once you see this one, I know I'm in front of the building I'm constructing.
Good. That is what we're saying.
That one makes sense.
So but that's it.
Yeah, let's go.
But wait. How much has your sister sent to you so far?
Meaning? How are you asking? Meaning as my accountant or what?
I have my reasons.
Reasoner. See, don't worry. You've done your bit by taking some pictures of some buildings in the evening. You know what you're going to do? Meet me at that joint this evening for your reward.
Listen, that is not what... It's not even daily I'm going.
Okay, where are you going?
Listen. There is a picture you will send. And your sister will know that you are lying. Yes! Because if the picture of the house does not match with the money she has sent you,
you're right too. And true, you know much. Okay. You know much at all. Hi, but don't worry.
No. But wait. How much exactly has she sent to you?
What can be your problem? If you forget, I get one new construction. Where did they construct for downtown? If you see this house, you go fall down here and die. At the tell you. If you see the house, you go die. That house will make sense. So we go there, go take picture of that one, then send to them. She will believe them. Believe me. Yeah.
Supposing your sister comes back anytime soon and discovers that nothing. Well, if that is even in a jambele.
Forget that. I mean, they tell you when we get to that bridge, you go cross out.
Yeah, cross it. Yeah, cross the bridge.
Okay, you go cross out.
Yeah, cross it. Cross all the bridge.
You cross all the bridge. This last one.
Okay, take that new construction. Let's go.
I feel this, my body's over for me. You cannot hold me down, cause the sky is up above me. pure but constantly hurting. You cannot hurt the spirit, but the flesh is suffering from me. Me, I no fish out, oh. Bella, the empty patient doggy don't pay me. I try to say my mind, but the ear no they listen again, no. Nothing fit today, Bella. But brother, man need to toilet, oh. Anyhow, we go survive this one. Brother, man won't marry them. You borrow me, no me say na low. No be every flame, them they call it fire. Everybody wait, they call it my yawa. No, they see the lights wait they for tunnel. You borrow me, no me say na low. No be every flame, then they call it fire. Everybody wait, they call it my yawa. Mineral resources, no be Fanta. Waiting man do man, but the plan never change. If it no be now, but I dey see am for front. If helicopter no day to the propeller. Universe fit to show you the corner to go. Eyes it done they close. If it be hunger for here, Gary no they make me see well, but my onion, thank you, my eye don't play.
So you drink this one morning and night, yeah? Before you drink it, make sure you shake it so that it will mix properly. You shake it, drink it for 1 week. Then you come and testify.
Thank you very much, wise one. Thank you. This is 50,000 naira.
50, you know me now? Child.
And once this medicine works, like you said, I'll come back and add extra 50,000.
My sister, go. I'm promising you that this thing will cure your sickness.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know you have promised me already that if you cure, I bring you 50,000, right?
Yes, I'll keep to my word. Money is not the problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sick no more. Go and sick no more, yeah?
Amanda, so you're buying that cow?
Next week. Guaranteed.
Guaranteed. 15 million.
Yes, of course. And my village mother is coming.
Coming here?
He's coming next
To
week.
town?
Yes, of course. And I might give him an unforgettable treatment.
Yay! Amanda, last you don't fall for that uncle.
Oh, the man, they try. I'm not gonna lie you, he's trying.
They try, oh. Omo, that man buy you that car. Amanda, if that man just buy you that car, I swear, my sister, you go carry me go that place where you run up. That baba will run up for you. You go show me that. You go show me where now. Why you looking like that?
I'm sorry for laughing, but honestly, I don't know what you're talking about. Which one be Baba? Who they do Baba something? I beg anything when man be na God na him make a mo. Na grace carry me reach here.
Which grace? No, not only grace, na charity. I beg leave that thing make I hear what? Which grace?
I don't tell you, my dear, na grace of God. Nothing. Everything is just grace.
Which grace? Grace of God. How? What do they talk now? No, they do all these things. They share updates now. Eh?
I don't tell you.
Yeah, let me invade this house.
Anything where man be na God na him make am. I don't know where you from they come. Now you know the Baba where they talk.
I know say God they make am, but this one more, you go show me that way, oh.
Maybe I find way.
I am the luau child. I am the luau chimo. I am the luau ladimo child. Hallelujah, oh, daddy me. Hallelujah, mo. Hallelujah, chimo.
Nne, have you eaten?
Have I eaten?
Erigoni.
Starting when? No, when you started to ask me, you go.
Now because I cook now, I cook better food. But I no sure say I don't see you eat today. Let me make I dey ask you.
Hey, wow. Okay, other days no dey cook. You know they cook better food. You see me the chop other days, abi?
No, they talk like that. See, you know, say sometimes
Yeah.
you dey good make you dey tell yourself the truth. Me, I don't tell myself the truth. Say, you know, they treat you well. I don't think we know they treat you well. Especially me, we're supposed to be mama to you. They treat you like say it's my daughter. So I won't change them. You know what thing happen? No worry. You don't need to move, eh? Just sit down here, make I go carry.
Hey, wait, I'm not asking for food though. Wait, not go anywhere. Oh, okay. You want poison? Fine. Look, I tell you something. If you poison me, not gonna do me anything. You know, say me they cure poison for people. Even if I chop the food, I go still cure myself. You know what I mean?
You dey talk all these things because you don't know me. You don't know the real me. Everything will happen, not be my fault. Now your uncle fault. Now him no gree pay your school fees. Not be me, oh. Me we don beg am since you no gree. You know say your mama dey send better money. Big money to am. Instead of am to carry am pay your school fees, you wan carry am marry new wife.
You mean say my mama dey send money to her?
Plenty money, dollars.
Eh? Okay, now so why you dey tell me now? What you want me to do?
I want make you prepare love portion for me. My give am. Make you no love another woman except me. Make you dey hear wetin I dey talk. At least you go dey listen to me. Dey do anything I tell am to do. That time I will come command am. Make you pay your school fees. You see am now. If you do this thing now, it go work for you. It go work for me. You go benefit. Me too, I go benefit.
Come. Hold up, brother. Look at these girls. Why are you wasting time there? Please hurry up, let's go. Let me see how this bagger will resist my daughters. Huh?
So,
Just go. Yeah. Come. Turn around. 60 degrees. 130 degrees. 180. 360. Come on. Do it. Oh, yeah, that's great. Come on, that's good. It's okay. Let's go.
Papa, are you sure we're giving?
Entice him. Look at you. Come on. That's good. Are you not my daughters anymore? Now, come on. Heads. Come on. Yeah, come on. Do it this way. Yeah. All right. Make the move. 1, 2. Catwalk. Come on. Come back. Come on. Hey, come on. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hey, come on. That's good. Let's go, my soldiers. Let's go and catch that bushmeat. Let's go. Yes, I got it.
Oh, sweetheart, Oluebube. Dimpamo.
Hey, what is going on here?
Nothing they go on, oh my baby. You don't bring food. And not the kind one where they like, now I cook. You want make I
wait.
Make I put am for your mouth. Make I put am for
your
mouth now.
I'm not laughing. Hey! When I don't feel this one, you can never catch me. I heard that Isioma is now a certified witch doctor. And for the first time, you are working hand in hand with her. 100 possible. You can never catch me. No way.
Meaning what? Meaning what?
Meaning, okay. They call you wise one, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you think you're wiser than me. Oh, you want to use one of your charms on me. I jump and pass.
No, you not be like that.
It's like that.
No, it's not true.
Josana, it is true. Now answer me. When last did you call me sweetheart in this house? Or honey? Or even baby? Eh? The two of you are plotting to kill me.
Kill you again what? What are we getting?
You be like that. Person know they change. I just want change become good wife to you. And I dey even go marriage counseling. Now waiting Reverend Father say make I dey do be this.
Okay.
Waiting be this one.
Excuse me, madam, we're not here for you.
Chalo, just now wait. Dorothy and Comfort. What is going on? This one that the two of you are here, I hope your father is okay.
Yes, sir. Our father is very fine.
About this one that you came to my place dressed like a overfed masquerade. Does the father know that you're here?
Sir, we are actually here because of you, and we have come to shoot our shots.
Oh, well.
We heard you're the hottest man in town, and you're looking for a succulent, sexy, fine wife.
Hey! See, if I close this my eye, open am, and you carry that your overload, don't look say pass from I go change that founder.
Justina, please, just let me handle this. The two of you, your father should have waited for my birthday before putting up this show. But don't worry, I've heard you, I've heard you. I'll think about it. You may not leave. Thank you.
Get back to Onye.
I'll get back to
We're coming on your birthday, sir. We didn't have to wait till your birthday. But are you sure you want us to go?
Yeah, don't worry. Just go for now. I'll get back to you. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Get down. Mugu. Carry belle face everywhere. Idiot.
Hey!
To shoot your shots.
You see now? Say na them they rush me. Now them they rush me.
Okay.
So me I do on my own, minding my business.
Now be that girl where they shake your big breast for you, you know, like chile.
I beg, I'm done. You see?
No, not be say you see. See them. Oh, so now even these women, they don't reach me.
They don't reach you.
They don't reach. This one where they here, where don't enter menopause. This one where they here, you boy and China. Who can't give my husband this small sense this time? Who give him sense? I ain't take no say we put something for the food.
It will shock me too. Shock me. That means this your husband is not as foolish as we thought.
This my husband no get sense at all before. Forget that he no get sense. No be person where I marry. In sense no the day, especially when food they involved. Small food like this, you don't catch him.
But this one no catch him. What's gonna happen?
I don't know. I dey think maybe if man they get more money, they get more sense. I don't know what thing I want to talk again. Because this one shocked me. So, what we can do now?
No, I don't know. I don't know. But what if you thief him phone? Listen, now that phone where they carry every time. Now they use to communicate with all those girls. Now they use to send them videos and pictures. Now that phone be the main problem now.
Hey, Na true. I no think am like that o. If I collect that phone, you no go know, you no go get avenue where you go take dey talk to those girls. Hey! Why I no think am sense? But you be wise one, true. How I wan take thief the phone?
Okay, I go dash you yam. Go still tell you how you go take cook am. Teach you how you go take the chop the yam, abi. I say make you thief phone. You ask me how you want take thief am. Okay now. No wahala. Now when you go see second wife here, you go know as you go take thief am. Oh, sorry. I don't do my work finish.
I must find way to thief that phone. If I thief am, in fact I go scatter am, I go break am.
Hey, don't break. They still there. Never break.
So my husband no come back.
See you when say you want stay awake till your husband come back so that you go fit stay in the phone. See you.
But you no come back now.
Your husband don't come back since he dey inside. I don't even pack his things, so you want go meet inside chief for city.
Hey, Mbanu!
Justina, oh, you are awake. Where's my daughter? Oh, she didn't make it home last night, right? I see. That is how you raise your child. Anyways, I'm off to the city for a very important meeting that might last for 1 week. But depending on the outcome, child, the outcome might take it like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but I must return.
Which meeting? Which meeting? No, which meeting I dey ask you? Which business meeting? No. Okay, you dey go business meeting. I dey go with you.
Go with me to
I dey go with you.
No, Justina, go with me to do what exactly? My friend, just sit at home. By the way, what do we even contribute to this house? Nothing. Just wake up, cook, eat, take care of my daughter. But you're still failing in that anyways. By the way, I've dropped some cash on the table for you to take care of my daughter and this riffraff. You understand? And let me not come back and look for kill my daughter. Do you understand me? You don't like me. Let me leave.
Go allow him more. Allow him now.
See, the pilot is the pilot will call me now. Let me go to the airport.
I will go with you.
Hey, Justina, just cool down. I'm running late. My business partners are waiting for me. Please. Hold on. What is your... I'm running late. My flight is waiting.
Hey, make we go together now.
Have you ever been to the airport in your life?
Make it be the first time why I did.
Oh, yeah, go and get ready. Let me wait for you. Go and get prepared now. You can't go like this to the airport.
I look like my slippers stay here.
No, go and put your wig.
No.
Your wig. That's better.
Come back, come
What did I do now? What did I happen?
Okay, move, I go shoot you now.
What did I do now?
Okay, move like this. Come on, don't move, move. Don't. Okay, no. Come on, don't move.
Sorry.
Okay, move.
Oh yes, I dey go now.
Go inside here. Don't move.
Sorry.
Move. Go. Move inside. Move.
Oh, what did I do?
I go knock you into the ground. Go. Move.
They don't settle.
Wow. They play. Today na today.
I don't see am. Today na today. But wait though. You dressed up looking this beautiful. Just for that man.
Wow.
They do think so.
He deserves it. Man wey go buy me my first car. Emakuyebuka. Whip. He deserves it and more.
Ha. Wow.
I'm happy for you. I'm very happy for you. It's not as if I'm not happy, you know. But what if Paul, your main guy, what if he just shows up now and says he wants to take you out? What will you do?
Linda, what is your problem? No, I want to know what is your problem. What is it now? Don't even go there. Don't go there. I don't want to get angry today, Biko.
What did I do now? What did I'm just assuming. Now assumption I did now.
Swallow that your assumption. Swallow it, let it enter back inside your tummy. You cannot assume that he will buy me a house. The only thing you will assume is the negative part. Linda, mind yourself. Oh. Mind yourself. I don't want to get angry today. I'm in my best mood. Biko.
Now a cookie will they talk about? How will I be assuming that a cookie? How will they talk a cookie go buy you house? Anka. No now.
Enemy within. Amusu. Your plan will not work. Go back. Tell them that you did not see me. Today, I'm happy and you cannot change it. Eh? Your plan will not work.
What did I do now? What did I do? Eh? I'm just assuming. And if you check now, this thing it can happen. No. It can happen. It's not that it cannot happen. I better go see me see wahala. It's one assumption where I just assume.
This phone full, I swear, like this now. This way, if I carry and go, Jesus, how much be that?
Mama can't first.
Can't. And if you finish, check whether that money is still there inside, though. This phone. Chairman, I bet I just tell you open this phone. The glass say lock. Everything open now. Okay, I dey follow you talk. I say make how much is there?
I just 15K, sir.
We go inside and go smoke later now, normally. I bet open this phone. Open the phone now.
Baby.
Which one? Sure.
Baby.
Baby, give me open password. Make we open password.
Baby.
Now they have done.
Which kind deaf and dumb? No person will carry now. Okay, you understand that they talk? Give me the passcode for this phone now.
Baby.
Come and tell us.
Hi. Which kind of nonsense be all this one? Which kind of nonsense be this one now? At least you pick your phone now. Pick your phone. At least make I know say you reach well where you dey go. At least make I know say you dey safe. You no go pick phone.
Mama, wait, now my papa make you dey worry yourself like this. Make I tell you, my papa fit don dey with one girl for one corner. They eat what we take my drink anything they want drink. Like they enjoy life. They fit don dey even, you know now.
Okay, shut that your long mouth. But you poor Zul, I'm not fetching a keporoko. I no blame you. They do. Anyway, if you know waiting good for you, just go inside, wait for me. Make I finish waiting and they do here. Then, if I come inside, you go tell me where you spend the night. Oh, you think I don't forget?
Mommy, I'm not.
If I was... Come on, go inside, also go wait for me. I'm not here.
Mommy.
You see there they talk. Pama. Ngwano wise one. Yeah? What thing we go do? What thing we go do?
Yeah. Well, from what I'm seeing like this, so he will come back. But he will not come back the same way he left this house. I'm just having these bad feelings for him.
What?
I don't even think he's okay where he is. He's not fine.
Hey, Diloma Wamo. Enemies everywhere. Where una dey since so when I dey suffer? Now when my husband they don't make money, una no one make I enjoy the money with him.
Your husband don't make money. With the money my mother is sending to him. Your husband is using my mother's money to make mouth. My mother's money.
God, what is this now? What is all this?
Amanda, what's happening now? Is the phone even ringing?
It's ringing, but no one is speaking. He's not even taking the calls.
Chai, why now? Why will he act like this now? Or is it that he forgot or something?
How now? He called me when he was leaving the house. Ever since then, I've been trying to reach him. Nobody's picking the call.
Chai. Oh, just calm down. Calm down. Maybe he's busy or something. He will call you back.
If he's busy, he would have at least called me. Or even text me that he's busy. Then I will know that he's safe. Eh?
I don't like this type of something. I've been calling since. Nobody's taking the call. It's okay. Maybe he has changed his mind. Eh? Changed his mind how? Maybe. Linda, are you a devil? Devil? No, tell me, were you sent into this world to destroy people? Because from what I'm seeing now, you're a devil incarnate. What is your problem now? How now? What did I do now? I said maybe. Are you even sure you don't have a hand in this, Linda? How? I don't understand. Have a hand in what? Eh? What do you mean now? Eh? I said maybe, or maybe he has regained consciousness. Eh? Maybe I don't hear. The ajo way you do, you don't inspire. Sorry, don't ask my frustration. See me see wahala. Hey! People don't watch so. I don't open. Nothing concern me. You want to? No, come and drive car. You want to drive car before me? Come and drive car.
Oga, this phone, plenty people don't they call him, but we no pick him as he take tell us. Don't deliver like this. Give balance.
Try well, try.
You know it's you.
But how the man there? Like, give him food at all?
In the chop, we don't give him food, we don't drink water, I don't rest. So, it's okay. After you give me balance, man.
Hold on first. Hold on. When I don't collect anything from him.
Nothing there that bag. Nothing there that bag. Not the 2K, we don't even smoke. Nothing there the bag. After give me balance.
Anyway, no be that, but no, that will not be my problem. My problem is this phone. So, what is the passcode?
Ha! Shaman, wahala dey o. If I tell us that man are deaf and dumb now, we don't do everything. The man only they talk. So I don't know if I want to communicate with you and say collect the password. That be the problem.
Deaf and dumb?
Chairman, I beg, I want to go. Give me.
Listen, what? You tell me become deaf and dumb. No, you not be deaf and dumb now.
Chairman, we don't shake that guy. Not who never do. I mean, no they talk. Only they talk. You say no be deaf and dumb.
The man not be deaf and dumb, but they tell you. No person why no. I not reach house. I not reach mama kitchen. No be deaf and dumb.
You mean? I thought so. So that guy won't use my head. Chairman, say no more.
Listen, when you read there, words and better slap. Boza. A man go tear.
Wait. You mean say that man they talk? You just a fool me.
Ask me. Go do what I tell you.
Chairman, say no more. No worry. That I go. Hey, just give me the balance, man.
Which balance? Man, I never balance.
Chairman, no be wetin we talk be that.
Wait, I go first balance before you collect balance.
First give me this one.
Go bring the password. This phone they useless now.
The password is just.
Without the password, this phone they useless.
So up till now, no calls from Mr. Ibe. No calls. No chats. What could be wrong? Could it be that he didn't make it to the city? Accident? Oh, no. If he was involved in any accident, his phone would have been connecting and someone would have probably picked the calls. Oh, wait though. Could it be that the charm expired? Wait, I think the charm the wise one gave me has already expired. Oh no, my enemies have gotten me. By now I should be a proud car owner. No, the wise one have to explain to me what happened. She has to explain. Paul again. What do you even want?
Some people never see anything. Oh, Jesus.
Bros, see like this now you don't chop, you don't drink water, you don't rest. Give me password, make I come out for here.
Baby.
Okay, I know they can't do that one. You don't like as I did it. Okay. Guy, you don't see miracle before.
No, sir.
You go like see miracle now.
I go
You
like
know say this password will come out. Bros, for the last time, talk.
Come on, give me the password for this. Imagine what is it? Put the password. Hey, that won't enter. Jesus, I don't die.
You see, say this man where they form since now you don't they talk.
Now how much you carry in your hand?
I record your account.
You say?
They call the password. They
Like,
call
cool
the
down now. Take them easy.
You want another miracle?
No, God, wait. Password?
Call am.
Okay.
Okay, call the password now.
00.
Yes,
so
00. I call another one.
I don't call her now.
I don't write that one now. Call another one now.
I say 00.
I don't write 00.
Write and well.
I don't write. You don't use me play.
00.
Okay, call another one. 00.
See. Oh. 00.
00 waiting.
Ha! I told you so. 10 years ago now. Slap. Wah! On a pay. They called you. Come on. That is it. That is it. Yeah. Hey, you to go. Up power go fast. Oh. Let me get Ngosi's. Yeah. My chat. I used to chat alone, only chat. Yeah, you should be sending the video. Hey, who don't like better dollar? Who don't like dollar? Go. From now on, you'll be sending the dollars to me. Yeah, relax. Let me pimp him. Yeah, yes.
Wow. Nah, I don't know what's going on now. This your cry now. I don't understand the cry. I don't understand. I don't know if you are crying if you are crying because you truly love this man and miss him, or you are crying because you are jealous that he might be with another woman out there, or you are scared that if he did not come back like this now, your luxurious lifestyle will just be cut short. Which one is doing you?
Now your uncle be that too. Not the bad mouth the man. Now your uncle.
Oh, my uncle. I get uncle. I don't have any uncle. He's not my uncle. He's so useless to me. I don't need him in my life.
You don't do. See, make I tell you, no matter what happen, that man is my husband. And I love him.
No, I cannot like him. Not talk of loving. He's not even my uncle at all.
Wise one. You will never hear anything concerning my husband. As in, the gods never tell you anything. They don't tell you where in there. They never tell you if in there okay. In there safe so. Eh?
They never really say anything. They never talk. They never really say anything what they happen. But everything that I know is that he will come back, but he will not come back the same way he left. That's what I know. Yeah, I'm giving you news. Yeah, it's okay. Go on, keep on crying. Keep on crying. You cry, finish. Clean yourself and go.
No. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Are you sure the charm the wise one gave me hasn't expired? No, my car. No, it's not possible. No. My car.
my phone, my money. Hey, my Amanda. Hey!
Mayona.
Papa, where do?
Hi, I'm a good cook.
But this soup sweet too.
Say soup now. I'm a good.
This time Papa see us today, not talk say we dey eat.
Hey, maybe you know what make you marry Mr. Ibakama again.
Nothing concern me. I not feel because of man starve myself.
Amazon.
But you notice your father. He just the very expensive things this time around. They eat money.
The show na wake up go. Are you sure Papa has not done ritual?
Ongi coaches where go.
Listen. If anybody comes here to look for me, tell the person I'm not around. In fact, I traveled. Do you understand me? What did I say?
You say you travel.
Hey, shut up there. I didn't say I say you say I say no. Just tell the person that I traveled. I am not around. Listen, Ibakama is coming now. Tell him I'm not around. Tell him I travel. Tell him I travel.
Oh, Chimo.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my beautiful daughters. Please, hey, is food around?
Food?
No. Actually, it's your father I'm talking about. Is he around?
He said we should tell anybody that came to
Anna that he traveled. Hey, he said anybody will come find and make we tell the person, make he wait.
Okay.
That's
He
if
traveled, right? And I should wait. Okay. Please, my daughters, is the food remaining?
Hey, here for the last soup.
Maybe I bought a shortage.
I think. Wait.
I go the panel food.
Nembiko, can you learn now?
My husband, may sit down, sha.
Yeah, let me see too.
You want to our food?
Uncle Lianu can
relax now. Hey, wait.
Uncle Nunu can visitor.
What is it now?
You
You don't want me to.
I feel they smile, but it's over for me. You cannot hold me down, cause the sky is up above me. The heart is pure, but constantly hurting.
Hi. I'm now going back home empty-handed. How do I face my wife, Justina, Isioma, and even Ikiru? Hey, how do I begin to explain to them what happened to me? No. Not to maintain my format with the kidnappers. If not, I will explain tire.
But brother, man need to toilet though. Anyhow we go survive this one. Brother man won't marry them. You borrow me, no me saying alone. No be every flame them they call it fire. everybody.
Hey! Oyi jarata. Ati kobo. See.
Hey!
Finally.
Ibe nke mụ. Nwoke ọma. Ọmarịcha nwoke na. Hey! No. Hey! No. Welcome. So how did everything go? Yeah? Ibukwa ike nata.
Huh, I told you that your darling husband will come back, but not the same way he left.
What is going on? Ogene? Yeah, Chineka. Abukwa no nka agene.
Take and go.
It is not my portion. It is not my portion. What happened to you?
Papa. Papa, talk now.
Ngwa. See ya. Since your mouth no gree you talk, see pen and paper, you get right. If you know everything will happen, write down here, make me see am.
Papa, what of your phone, your money, everything? Wetin happen?
Right, wetin happen? Where the money where you go find? Where your phone? Where everything? Hey! What do we call this serious? Maybe it's serious. Wise one. Wetin we go call this one? Wetin we go do am? Shebi you see say the thing dey serious o. You fit cure am.
Nothing dey serious anything. You see this thing? Now format that thing wey they do. Format. It's very much okay. Nothing is wrong with him. You see you? Shall see how it goes.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, I'm not going No. Deaf and dumb, bro. You know reach your mouth.
Let me go and bring food for you.
Which food? Which nobody they bring food for.
Okay, the thing do your mouth to do your hand to write.
Amanda, did you see my car keys? Oh, sorry, your car keys. Sorry, this car with this move no buy give us. I feel swear from. I mean, the key to the house, my spare key. You know, I'm going out in case you return before me. Jesus, imaginary car owner. Come and drive car. You want to drive car before me? 15 million. No, come and drive. Nonsense. Okay, I was going out.
Victoria. Jimmy. I'm missing Ja. You want chop? You hear this one? In Ronka. Ibakamo. Forget this year format. You don't cast. You know the work again. Tell me, what thing happen? Tell me everything. I be your wife. I could forgive you. Not be me and you since. Eh? You know plenty things why I don't forgive you. So, what happen? You're not serious. You're not this serious.
Hey.
Okay. Ah!
Hey.
Ngozi wants to speak with Ibakama directly. Directly. Voice. Oh, she should have continued with the chat. Yeah, why did she go to... She should have continued with the chat. Yeah? What is this? Yeah? Now, how do I form Ibakama's voice? Hey! Nah, but Umaka na happy. They try you. This is not the easiest thing in the world. How do I form Ibakama's voice now to convince her? Difficult. But wait. In fact, now to throw away this phone now, I'll throw it away. I'll just throw it away.
Jesus Christ.
What did Jesus Christ do?
Hey.
Bring the food. There's something you don't chop. But Jesus Christ do you wait Jesus
Which
Christ?
kind? What did they happen for you?
I saw him. He didn't know that I was seated there already. He went to your kitchen. He stole your food. When he saw me, he shouted Jesus Christ. Now he's for me.
You hear what she talk? Wait, oh. You shout Jesus Christ. You never begin shout. So you go thief my food. Food where I keep where we go chop tomorrow. You go thief am. Baby, I tell you, all this format where you they claim, you know they work again. Just talk, if you know say you want chop, talk. Tell us what happen. Make we forgive you once and for all. Then you can chop. You there ready to talk or you know what talk?
You know what talk?
You want chop am?
I want chop am.
Chop am.
Hey. Hey, not so fast now. It's too late. I've already seen you now. But I will tell you everything. I will explain everything to you. But for now, please, let them give me something. Don't give me food. Then later, please, help me call my line. Please.
I've been calling your line for days now. It doesn't go. Yeah? But then, what exactly? You say you want food?
Yes.
Food?
Yes.
Have you ever bought food for me?
This is not the time to go back there, but I've been giving you drinks. You know.
Okay, you've been giving me drinks. And drinks I will give you.
Wait, you don't change you. Look at the way you're touching up. Look at your fine shirt and everything.
I want some bets. Like Niger bets. My friend gave me numbers.
No wonder you're looking. Take away.
Hey. Very serious.
Yes.
I mean, why sit down? Let them
give me
good drinks.
No. See.
One crate of beer.
Kato, you need to give me food. My wife.
You gave me beer. I will give you beer.
I said my wife wants to starve me to death. Now give me food first. And again, please, you need to find me small cash.
Ibakama, you did not buy me food.
But I was buying you drinks.
Good. So drinks I will buy for you. Madam, one crate of beer.
No, madam, convert the beer to food, please.
Madam, no conversion, no subtraction, no addition, no retraction, no punctuation. Beer, one crate. Now.
No, madam, food, please.
Madam, no food. Beer.
But tell me, what is your problem? It is me that wants this, not you.
That is what I'm saying. What you give is what you receive. You get beer, you receive beer. Madam!
Biko,
Madam, one crate. Here. Don't waste the time of the gods. We're here. Don't worry, you're welcome to this city. Why didn't you bring that girl, sir?
Madam, Biko.
My sugar baby. My sugar daddy. We die. You are this strong. You strong die.
Tested and trusted.
I mean, baby who, Baba who,
What is wrong with him?
I don't know what's wrong with my papa. I don't know what's the word in my papa. But since when he come back from one travel like that, he come deaf and dumb. My papa know they hear.
Deaf and dumb?
You know they hear, you know they talk.
Deaf and dumb?
See in glasses, you know they hear also.
Baba
Beku, 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 bu, beku, 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 beku.
Come on, shut up! Biko, tell me, what do you have with my daughter? That's not him. What are you doing with my daughter?
I will just.
Hey! Hi. Bartholomew bought a new car, and he's grounding my daughter. Hey! Bartholomew is grounding my daughter, and I cannot even yell or shout at my daughter. Bartholomew now got a younger girl before me. Hey, you did this one, my brother. You do this one. But come to think of it, how did Bartholomew get rich overnight? Wait.
Papa.
Are you sure Bartholomew does not have a hand in... Oh my God.
You won't talk. That's why you just look me like this. You won't talk with you see. Don't forget, say mama no know say you dey pretend. Papa, you won't talk. If you get to talk, me self get to talk. If you talk, I talk. Auntie bread now.
That is it, oh. Since the money came, he has been living big man life, chopping money anyhow. Even he left for the city. He said he's going to bring a new wife, city wife. Nyana wanya became chopping. I've not seen him since, so only for him to now come back, claiming that he's now deaf and dumb. So Joania, even school fees, her school fees. I kept on telling him, he refused. Even to give us money to eat, it's always a problem.
Liar, you're a big liar. Okay, so as you are lying like this, you expected me to keep quiet and watch you lie. All of you, all of them like this, they are all wicked. They didn't want to pay my school fees. They don't feed me in this house. Yet I do all the chores.
Wait, why you do when you keep am comot, you know add weight, talk through. So hunger they kill am.
I used to buy food for myself.
Wait, so come to think of it, what happens to the money I've been sending for building and the land?
You send and give me. Ask your brother. I don't know. Oh, you send money for building. You back a mangwa. Zarono.
Hey. Brother, you better start talking. You better start talking because all the money I've sent to you, you are going to vomit them one after the other.
Jeez.
Are you hearing me? You are just pretending you have not seen anything. When you see something, you will talk.
Call police. Police. Mama, it's okay. Yeah? It's okay. At least I've become a great healer in this village. Do you know that people do come from different places just for me to give them my medicine? And I'll cure a lot of illnesses like convulsion, rheumatism, arthritis, overbleeding after childbirth, a lot of them, hypertension, poison, a lot. So I'm still a great person. Yeah?
Isioma, you will not understand. You will not understand what your uncle has done. All my dreams, my plan for you to become a neurosurgeon, my sacrifices, everything has gone down the drain.
Don't worry,
Your uncle shattered everything.
Yeah, it's okay.
Where are you going to start from? No, just tell me how. All the suffering, everything I went through over there is just because of you. And only for me to come back and everything has gone down the drain. But you know one thing? I'm going to deal with that man. I'm going to deal with him in such a way that he will ever regret knowing me in his life. It's one promise I'm making to him today.
Don't worry, I will still become the new surgeon, yeah? By the time you see, I'm making small money now. So I'll be saving the money, we'll be saving it, and we'll use it and be going to school, yeah?
From the onset, I know you are a great child. I know God is going to perfect everything.
Don't worry. You're just coming back. You don't need to stress yourself.
Hey baby, look at the kind of clothes you're wearing.
Wise one! Wise one, no! Wise one! Wise one!
Hi, God. Where did she go to now?
Wise one!
No. This cannot be happening, eh? I needed her to give me something else.
Wise one!
Abi, should I sit and wait for her?
Wise one!
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Why you there? Name me that what to him?
Police don't carry Papa.
What into?
Auntie goes you.
His sister.
What into? Auntie goes say all the money when they wire for Papa account. That's why when she dey obodo yibo, make it build a house, buy land, and renovate this house. Train Isioma say Papa no do anyone. How you take a carry Papa?
How now? Which money for her? Hey, but you know say your Papa don't deaf and dumb. He don't fit defend himself.
Mama, you need to dey there. May you see wetin happen for there. See, police begin dey say, Oga you go talk. Oga talk una. Na so they one huge police give Papa untuai. Papa begin talk. Papa begin confess.
Jesus. Hey. Even at that, make we go. Wait, which place? Make we go there.
Papa dey kiri prison dey chi as I dey follow you talk so. And still no follow them. You no follow them go.
Mana, wait. Now even I understand what you dey talk. You say They was their papa slap.
Towa.
He begin talk. You hear him with your ear?
No be reason I see from my eye. He begin to confess so. Papa begin to talk. He begin to talk say, all the money where Auntie Ngozi they send for Obodo Ibo, he dey carry and give one gear.
When he come back here, me too, I go give him my own slap. You go confess for where I did. Oh, you the way the money give city girl.
City girl. Hi! Like that.
After all the suffer where I suffer for this man hand, when you reach time for me to enjoy, carry the money, give city girl. I dey wait for him. When police torture and finish it, he go come my own torture house. I dey wait for him. In the grace, make he die there. Or punish him.
Hello?
Good evening, Chief.
Yeah, who are you?
My name is Inspector Daniel, and
Inspector
you are under
Daniel.
arrest for kidnap and extortion.
Me?
Yes, sir.
What are you talking? I don't know what you're talking about.
It's okay.
You know me very well.
Move it! Come on, move it! Criminal! Move it!
Chief, you don't be.
So, like I said before, Chief, you are under arrest for the kidnap of one Mr. Ibakama, and also for extorting money from one Miss Ngozika. You have the right to remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Let's move, Chief.
Hold on. I reserve the right to call my lawyer.
Move, sir. You can call your lawyer from the station.
Move!
Let's go. Move it.
Move
Move it.
Come on,
Chief,
move it!
move it.
Move it!
Move it.
Move
it! Move! Call your lawyer from the police station.
Move it!
So, we recovered from Mr. Bartholomew a total of about 3.3 million, as well as the car he bought with your money. And from the Amanda girl, we got 900,000. I'm sorry, but that's all there is. Just squander the rest.
Thank you, officer. I really appreciate your effort.
You're welcome.
Thank
Police
you
is your
so
friend.
much.
So, how do we proceed from here?
I'll get back to you on what to do next. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh. NG. No. Ukogo. Nwanne m nwanyị. Ịwana n'iwe. I know say you no happy. We no do well. Sorry. No vex. You see, it should be me and you talk. Right, Papa na akpa. No be my fault oh. I know say I no do well. But just forgive us. You know say Ibe, I know wetin him do no good. I no support him at all. But na your brother. You no get another brother now. You ebuzozu onye yesokwa. Abeg, talk to that officer. Make them release him. Make he come back. We will consult him inside house. People no need to know. Oh, Wanyoma.
Auntie, I beg now. I beg. Easy. Easy.
Are you done?
Baby, let's go.
Mama, she agree.
Your sense no correct. You dey ask me Shigri. No be me and you dey here. You no see Ngwa Shigri. She dey like person wey gree.
I'm not sure.
You suppose dey psyche. I kwesịrị ije psyche kopere ofu bed. So
it's not it don't dey cost me.
Get away. Iti akwụ. Oyiri nna ya. Like father like daughter. Ofu ọbara. Ofu ajọ ọbara. After all, why they even fight for Ibe? The whole money wey he thief, he give a woman. Why they even fight for am? Make it dead there. Chop alone, die alone. Isi kote ebe. Nya bili ya kwa mwe.
You cannot hold me down, cause the sky is up above me. The heart is pure but constantly hurting. You cannot hurt the spirit, but the flesh is suffering from me. Me, I no fish out though. nothing fit today, Belle. But brother, man need to toilet, oh. Anyhow, we go survive this one. Brother, man, won't marry them. You borrow me, no me say na loan. No be every flame, them they call it fire. Everybody wait, they call him my yawa. No, they see the lights wait they for tunnel. You borrow me, no me say na loan. No be every flame, then they call it fire. Everybody wait, they call him my yawa. Mineral resources, no be Fanta. Waiting man do man, but the plan never change. If it no be now, but I dey see him for front. If helicopter no day to the propeller. Universe fit to show you the corner to go. My eyes it done they close. If it be hunger for here, Gary no they make me see well, but my onion thank you, my eye don't clear. My eyes it done they close, oh.